asenti apostle ede be ram ne yetema dosuko wonsama edi akotene mu ana afei wadaroma mame fanto de busta bishop atapoku ha wagina konya dendente a ena no pay mo betere nka na bibia so etimi akonkan yenua Michael Akomia the sports messiah baby wo bia no me good morning what I say na yenua ni tin ani Cinco de Mario at the first time de bebe na bibia so etima konkan na ye be latest update concerning Paul and the situation and of other stories making the headlines this morning live in the Goten Super Mercantile 93.1 full-time sports. Mr. Wack, a producer, Jumatana Kabapa, Roland Janim Guaten, Roberto Firmino, the finisher, and of Orlando, and a tie Jumatana Chia, none of Payasin Kuna, na and some want to idea Cotinano, you don't some also at the airbar, Oko Facebook, Kodeswa Wataroma. Sompa 93.1 now what promoting a follow now I share now to message that Sompa 93.1 on the Facebook now follow now share now to message that Sompa TV our YouTube no so no one subscribe to message no and so banner for can cow message no and some at the come up be some at the pay now ye baby run straight away now get them on Instagram banner study a double on Instagram ever panel now me catch us a Juma Kubia Torma and on a pel motaya chia yet trust enough for the good one some at the upper on a pay I might be some at the conkai a tuber room of gentleman dental clinic room of gentleman dental clinic I'm gonna make catch us a ban a sin what you man come what you ma woman expert to be part of what to say yes what in pampa pa a one obu cry and then pampa no and you no case at you or caso ego biswa nani pano at the hene app bia for recent and can if you no pano and never kukura rum our gentleman dental clinic call Nekoja Yaresa, wa me pacho was say and Kawanka Webia Beshawa, just a why you be beer, and not just a echo, yes, killing any polishing, and of a teeth white and way I say here, and our Doroma, me pacho was the person was the gold, and as a silver, what damn, and so, and a gentleman dental clinic, yet then you pure good and pure 70, Sima and Papa, and I'm a pacho was still 2% replace here. A gentleman dental clinic commercial here, and I will Kumasia, you are Beport Johnson, a Dana UMP Bank, woman, you are not rope, you pay total filling station, you never tell the school the team Shedimu, gentleman dental clinic, Papa, and then telephone come 05 5930 9582 05 5930 95 82 Yahoma, Ubeto my friend gentleman dental clinic, Kudra, yo Nungwa, C5 Jansewa, Anafe, your atomic company, atomic down, when we check contact radio boha, Anafe Kofodia Sunyane, and it Tatiman Yano, Obo gentleman dental clinic, Sobo Bertumapa, Anopay, the patro, but in front to it was a woo hobos Wakumano, a bow peri, a conapa, wouldn't take a crepiano bread. What as a person hawana, and also will come and were Betty at the Chonwote Yapa, on a fe, what was that? When I to tea, and also will say to tea, Pomotus will be to a room, I will obor herbal and medical research. I want to walk on a focal quadrusa, say stroke on a eldercruel, diabetes. I say when your problem will kidney anymore, no room, oh, obor herbal and medical research. Papa, when you coupon and Sasua, 1 year Jumapa, one may be drosso, ever saw your dear, I want tomato, I'm a be piasum, get tobacco kind, one at the precursor powder number, and your precursor powder, it would just be patcho, wakuma tabo, wabos or baby utility, and of your bar warfare fro, not umojano, intimina sumojet to me, what I say, I say, me patcho precare powder, ever support to immune system, come, I'm a patcho mojano sweet to for sunny, I'm a be piasso to my quinty, conacope. Precursor powder nibi. No, binabo bobina fa dance ya bra. After what then hepa bitters no. Aye memedro the patro the bidonum na premature ejaculation better of the past. After woodroom pass a bit to my bojuma. I'ma be piasom let my question damao. Na woodru aye. Kumasia dia, Mamma Fanto, they will say, you are a drop to menu, about your chakwain, Accra, your Kasua, official town, and cross any headquarters no at the Siman or Jaconeswa, and about your chakwain 0249 76 1508 0249 76 1508 Yahoma, over to me after a boar. herbal and medical research na for for esom etobeti nkomo kama ama bipia som etobako eso dama another place what to nka me patro ba me fo nwura cloud internet what I say upon the cloud internet me see adwuma mo bodenya asem ketokra wa bie company wo pese internet edra som ayi adwuma what I say me patro bomode so this adwuma no ebe ma cloud internet na fe wo metuma be hwe ayi adwuma no kama enso dama ama bipia som etobako nka me patro daruma cloud internet ebe ma fastest internet connectivity wo fie ho wo office ho me patro bono hotspot and a ban Wi-Fi deployment wo mo ye expert papa a ban CCTV camera installation wo mo ye the best and yes get to continue no pay what you can ram our cloud internet wo ma so na fe no mo koye adwuma no ya so bo ni diagra o kotokron kaso da bibia beto koye so da ma ye wo top high and then love FM wo mo no ye na love FM anything chede mu anafi wo the same build na kumagu man rural bank wo me patro branie ni dwuma na fa dance no bra 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 Yahoma to my friend cloud internet na for them pay for esom etobeti nkomo kama ama bipia so etoba konkan Kulu Ghana Limited wo mon de hunchu capsules no so tabeda so hunchu capsules eye memedro wa me patro Johnson wuntimi control na fe pepe ebi kura uko jabe bi sesabe wo bunso wo Johnson obo se e bank ketengete wo so a wote sampa Johnson to obo so ne Johnson de ba wuntimi control pomate se hunchu capsules no won sabe toba kabi na patro prostate no adeba ko betuma bon ban eye hunchu capsules nti bomoten se Kulu Ghana Limited wo mu nura wo mo de beja so no se betuma ka wo de Mr. Kill no enso eye ememedro bema wutrum paso wontete bema me patro ye mere wo mpem wo de koboni atim kajabo so da ho no ho me twetwete se o ho me twetete se adwuna wanyem no bomoten se betuma ka Mr. Kill bema bu bobi na bema wo mpaso ne popam polu pade sunkumde afa bi Araba Baze no and so jaso Araba Baze ye manedro esiesa yimfia wa mi patro bosumia so a wote ya opa oboso watare down wa chene ni bako oba se what the American wote ase pomote sam Araba Baze eno ani adura mi patro benya bi na fe webobo o man be bi to no bia no won sabeka Kulu Ghana Limited wo mu no bi wote popo bi na fa dance de bra kama nya se gotokra uromo Kolinak Dani Herbal Misty Herbal Blazer require a fake Panacea Pharmacy, N&A Pharmacy, and a Fedimes, baby to no piano, or your call super Kulu for Jono, on Sabacaudium, any Kulu for the Kobai, 0244 275429 0244275429 Homa. Go back to my friend Kulu Ghana Limited in 24. Na for no more eswe tibeti nkoma anope mi ba be chosika na skana mi ba be no eno aye mega cash lucky boss yenye exercise we sinsie na mega cash de wo mo ye super fantastic ko ye heavy power dial star 426 star 6 hash sinsie o de fa phone no Nyanya exercise way dial star 426 star 6 hash na fe emiaso o miaso a obosa options ni be yaba na was selected options a open na o select option na open na me patro de tede say what twa bi what I say de wo twa no ye the 5 Ghana cedi pe ene di twa what I say nti one kasa do mo approve no e wo phone so bin kote usika bro so na ubetube di about 5 billion old Ghana cedis which is 500,000 Ghana cedis new currency no na bibia som letobako so dama when nyina no eye mega cash lucky box and this says ka we asudi wura bottom eye simple me patro code na da eye TV national into their dial na mia so na choose option no e free 5 cedi e ko betume cha na fe wo so etime di mega cash cha na wo twa wo bedi wo di so a ente go say ababato phone so me patro eye instant resource wo twa ya na resource na bana fe wedia obonsa ne patro scanner ba be go for so kama na bibiam letoma kwe so dama enti eye mega cash lucky boss o ho tere wa anase ne wonye sika dia ya de neko try na monsta be kasika ama bibia etuma kweso dama me patro risk no decoder no o risk no decoder na ubenya Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV enso wo TV no so na bibia tuma kweso edama watiase enti Sompa de Sompa market chapa ana Sompa gaso Sompa na fe bibia so etuma kweso dama me patro time heba mister eno no pe wutie me na so malaria to kro waso ye se enya septe trok malaria bia e woni padwani ma ama me patro wuntimi ni die wa poso yo ya wonu mu ato watiase wan kasa uti say yes enyema nkwe woni padwani mo malaria chat se woni padwani mo wo dane time heba mister nyabi no Nabobo na me catch us the time near time and yes to talk on for time heba mister no unya piano no na fe wabubo kama na unya piano no na bubo kama what that dance de ba me patro ba me fan to de say e ma no ase won koye afei won kwamwa no what as God blood na what did perform in term immune system in term fancy pomatism was sabe to maka time heba mister what nya piano no na bobo na be boost immune system no kama na fe ama wo general well-being uni pedwa wo poso bete sampa apomodena ba any time heba mister 0244 417 669 0244 417 say draw way who pendudu atu a ahoma we na wo fra na fe oni mpedefo eso etime nkomo baby e to draw piano wo dem eso the time heba mister na fe time heba mister wo kona fe wo kwakojo de na bibia som etuma kweso amount no pay omo 30 ana ya trase ya dem amorane nsem no eso de ba enya sem ketokra na ansa na me patwe be kona fe ya dem amorane nsem no so tempa no na me catch say Genti College ehon na woko na fo kokosua de na Genti College de ma me fanto de say Ghana ha baby bi obi adwobotum say Genti College heavy panya sem ketokra me patwo person wo tire SS enso no na se wutwa wo de ni Genti College me patwo ho na pomoten ne kosua de watase ma me wutie me papa wutie me oba no okotre SHS nsori ne so ntwa ebia babia okosku no ehona na emwa fa no ko Genti College me patro udru final year ye betima prepare ewo ye sunku kwaso kwakwan obofa so tibetra actual final exams no we twa ne correct me patro ye business ye science visual arts honor for general arts home economics agric science ni nyina no Genti College enema quality tuition amotuma kotracha na Genti eja legacy bi ato say ope SH school a eboa pharma students etimi chapa na fe etimi bo omo timi kosua de wo suapomu a eye Genti College me patro kuma wu kwanta school no baby ewo na wo hwe environment no enfama efa wa akra bia no akota so sua de wo Genti College a wo what I say chairman of kaparo no pay me chao pa wo adwuma Genti College wo heavy anya sekretokra ya wo boarding and hostel facilities at the man krana e betuma boam na fe wo metuma settle down wall ama bibia to makoye diamond e no pay o pomoto na for the Genti College for eswe to be in 0243 721 659 0243 721 659 ya homa wo betuma fe Genti College na fe wonen perform eso etme edin komo kama ama bibia to makoye so diamond me patron betway atayati jumade betway what I say betway.com.gh Aona kona fe wako kuchwa bet no na me catch sta kosomo dam usa supply the whole Ghana na so betwe de me patro supply Ghana supply e wiase mansa nyina betwe ne be mo sika me patro ne matches wo ho ento de ko betwe ne so na ko ne kuchwa bet ne kama na de ba ko de sam e ye betwe de man ye different kwane say uchwa bet no e bia wa select bet 10 na ya bo 5 matches me patro 5 matches nyina wa wini e ho cash no me withdraw out of air 10 na me patron utwa ye no anasa me patron utimi set automatic cash out obo said the wuti piano na ehwegu account sum kama eno ye betu enkwana ma so opportunity anasa ketokwa terms and conditions apply regulated by Gaming Commission of Ghana undi 18 years men ko betu de masa omo opportunity said the piano sikabe ebeko bottom enti so peskadia remu betu come ne ko bet no na fa dance brand to Madaruma and on Motea ye kona fe ya dem amranen stamina upper life on your golden super mega dial 93.1 Sompa full time sports and our sugu so with you know me patrol ye best say ye ba na ya toaso at the amamo.
Con todo se va poniendo mucha velocidad en el ataque. Ahí está para recibir Sergi Roberto, Gerard Piqué, Sergio Busquets, Sergi Roberto, se va en velocidad, no puede Luka Modric, encara Marcelo, no pueden con él, sigue con todo, se va poniendo mucha velocidad en el ataque, abre para André Gómez, le sale el paso Carvajal, ahí está para recibir Sergi Roberto, Gerard Piqué, Sergio Busquets, Sergi Roberto, se va en velocidad, no puede Luka Modric, encara Marcelo, no pueden con él, sigue con todo, se va poniendo mucha velocidad en el ataque, abre para André Gómez, le sale el paso Carvajal, ahí está para recibir Sergi Roberto, Gerard Piqué, Sergio Busquets, Sergi Roberto, se va en velocidad, no puede Luka Modric, encara Marcelo, no pueden con él, sigue con todo, se va poniendo mucha velocidad en el ataque, abre para André Gómez, le sale el paso Carvajal, ahí está para recibir Sergi Roberto, Gerard Piqué, Sergio Busquets, Sergi Roberto, se va en velocidad, no puede Luka Modric, encara Marcelo, no pueden con él, sigue con todo, se va poniendo mucha velocidad en el ataque, abre para André Gómez, le sale el paso Carvajal, ahí está para recibir Sergi Roberto, Gerard Piqué, Sergio Busquets, Sergi Roberto, se va en velocidad, no puede Luka Modric, encara Marcelo, no pueden con él, sigue con todo, se va poniendo mucha velocidad en el ataque, abre para André Gómez.
Okay, ya kona fe ya demonane stamina per life on your golden super mega dial 93.1 on totally your most outstanding channel sports station that keeps you updated on all the latest standard of events, your ultimate tradition of radio quality. Will continue to set the pace for others to follow for no pay. Ya trusted demonane stamina as well banti wadaruma ube ko Facebook so Sompa 93.1. Now we follow, now we share, now to message na pa Sompa TV. Now and some at me a subscribe kama or subscribe now what to message na banana pay you can kind and so tamo kama and near Sompa TV on the YouTube no what to message no and so banana subscribe kama na fa ye wonjuma and so tamo and we to better so pay and some what to be praying and eba me pacho mo mame abrante the thing and Alfonso David Ball to do not for Alfonso Davis the player or second the Bermon Chibobo Kono and a pyramid me confirm to myself abrante for Alfonso Davis Bermon Chibobo Kono abrante this way official or the penalty cutters were studied the contract no and so taba Bermon Chibobo Kono say till 2030 and abrante new contract that was signed at the Bermon Chibobo Kono some everybody yeah na be pia so taba so taba abrante the dinner Alfonso Davis na me catch on the party say Bermon Chimpede focus wa mo tin ko say the beer me patron Bermon Chibobo Kono between abrante ya for Jamal Musiala Bambi as we to be na fe on also the penalty cutters we to be study the contract no at him ama Bermon Chibobo Kono na patron me fan to the stand ka expect say na me atuma this week no ko say ora and the must apple or sporting director the Bermon Chibobo Kono what in the co sporting director already to Christopher Friend me pacho mutumene abrante fere Jamal Musiala asu to be we nanka abrante the penalty cutter so na some perifo patch say there are some little details bo wa o muntumi nwe e ma abrante no emfa pen no en still cutter so standing for Bermon Chibobo Kono and this almost sign any abrante fere Jamal Musiala agent na trase na for mutin commencer the beer wo metuma we the final details no na ntiase tuma yeduma agreement tuma yeduma ama abrante the thing and Jamal Musiala me patro the Tennessee abrante the penalty cutter so no wait me study the contract no at the Bermon Chibobo Kono I expect us abrante you for the Jamal Musiala me patro the penalty cutter so no study the contract the Bermon Chibobo Kono obey the highest paid player and some our Bermon Chibobo Kono or Robert Bermon Chibobo Kono so yeah already to Hurricane Edwards any player where the highest paid player our Bermon Chibobo Kono say none pay report to the state party sika a Bermont impede from Edema Brante for the Jamal Busela no ever bra Brante for the Hurricane Tedeso na me patro the Tedeste bonuses ever become Emma Brante the highest paid also Bermont to Bobo Kodimo Nana patro ba me fan to the Basa Bermont to Bobo Kono ever Brante the Dini Jamal Busela I the face of the team what is here Bibiaba revolver around a Brantia the for the Jamal Busela Bambi Osia Kain Edema Bermont to Bobo Kodintani report another Pemeseka Yan what to man that Babu yet to better so Nana patro ba me fan to the Basa Oko Bermont to Bobo Kodaswaya and upon me confirm to Massa Bermont and pay for transfer back at Tereswa one more pass striker in case already didn't Hurricane pursue free Bermont to Bobo Kodimo and return to the Premier League now for Cocosia Kain to Premier League Club Bia me patro Kwani bit to my door now for Brante for Hurricane Akonokwa woman to be a potent striker will bet to replace Brante for Hurricane now me patro Deroma but me fan to the Bessa contract to the Hurricane and a Bermont and pay for as what to be saying on agreement to the purchase a Brante for the Hurricane or once or person be all time top scorer ewo Premier League grimo enti abrante the goals now shared the autonomous probable kono also new that be or person return to the Premier League but so said the bear me patrobet to goals not to as well I was still quite so to be down enti 2025 one of the services club be every Premier League grimo pa some of abrante for the Hurricane 80 million euros sika one be charge about Bermont to bobo kono sa club be ma na command stay room into 2026 me patro 65 million euros and a yesika star club of free Premier League grimo and panobetia ejaba Bermont to bobo kono Bermont impede the first one is abrante for the Hurricane so man prepare life without abrante for the Hurricane nasa club will be free Premier League grimo pa no same of abrante for the Hurricane and yaba kwacho and so taba Bermont to bobo kono and Bermont impede for transfer market deswa or more press striker kubada star Hurricane unexpectedly or the two Bermont impede for so peswa kwa and perform that when a potent striker to replace already didn't Hurricane. It was the English international captain. And team another reporter on the pay may say Canapano may catch us them a branch for the Victor Jokeres. I was still kind Adama Sporting CP Bobokono Afeura anything and so the Benjamin Sesko Siakai Adama RB Live Bobokono. I strike as a Bermont and Perifom Obogoswa Wamosha Nano Monkwa Bermont and Perifogoswa or monitor other strikers a branchia. Your friend Alexander Ishak was Siakai Adama Newcastle United Bobokono Bermont and Perifogoswa or monitor sample and Commander already didn't Hurricane you are no more per striker. We must have to make a potent striker to replace already didn't Hurricane. Our Bermont and Bobo Commentary report and on a payment second. Yeah, what to man to so this is full-time sports live on Sompa 93.1. Me patro Daroma Uko Facebook Deswa 93.1 as a Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow, now we share, now to message today bar and on fame patro Sompa TV. Our YouTube and also now we subscribe. Now to message today pa near can cancel the amount. Now Brante for the full set TV boy. Don't know for the full set TV was there kind Adaba Bermont to Bobo Kona. Macron Femotable say a Brante the penny secret as where started the contract, you know. Adaba Bermont to Bobo Kona already didn't it dial Hossy. A agent Adama Brante for the full set TVs. And was still fun to Piermus Wakabo Biate, sir a Brante the dinner full set TVs no. The other say a year January mo and a year December mo and Comatria course. No, na nyasam keto kwadi nyane sa me patro Robert Gelman to Bobo Kodima already didn't huni kalafa a chief scout Edmar Gelman to Bobo Kono in collaboration with already ding also the Santiago Solari on your sporting director Edmar Gelman Madrid and for already did a Don Florentino Perez Rodriguez and for already ding also the USA Angel Sanchez Maria Martinez woman the emperor for Edmar Gelman to Bobo Kono woman or no already didn't da Jose Tracia woman tin como Pariel Battle for confirmation and so to already did it does a Brante for the first Davis no a very important material omo person omo to the panafe omo beefy up omo squad no emanyama koye and so the Gilbert to Bobo Kono and to be a ma Brante for pen secret so where studied the contract no and so former by Monte Bobo Kono Brante no MSC came from Gilbert to Bobo Kono na dia Brante the Pebiano Riama Trempe for me at about Brante for your first Davis na no patro de Teresa, Bermonton for Real Madrid put the four for the branch for the Alphonso Davis. No, Bermonton put the for the big cow. What I said about the branch here, the for the Alphonso Davis. No, ready to the tower say, Adia to just say, and then Real Madrid Bobo couldn't qua, and then woman in the team come out, Manchester United Bobo couldn't count, Oko Premier League Grima, one other club, as to be 20 rest. No, now at the end of the day, no, so much to be taking decision, no more taking decision, no, woman start Bermonton Bobo couldn't babua, and to ready to the Alphonso Davis, and to show Bermonton Bobo Kono, our depend, as the Krataswa, where started the contract, and so Tamam Bermonton Bobo Kono, when he started Gilbert and Penny for Amania, we must have planted for the Alphonso Davis, and you saw Gilbert Bobo Kono. Edia Jessica, ewo Bermonton Bobo could associate here. Omo Patches and Gilman to Bobo could in your club. A branch for the Alphonso Davis, a better take advantage. Now for Domo, Aqua Jessica, ewo Bermonton Bobo couldn't tell Gilman to put a football fool. A dinner, a branch for the Alphonso Davis, and an agent, Aya, Gilman to Bobo Kono, a coffin Sembebre, and so bar Gilman to put a foot Jaroff, and Yakaka, and on a pay, a free Gilman to Bobo Kono, a from Australia, and so they buy young one to at the Amamon pay, may call us na Bobo Kodimo, me patron, Momo Martin, Febuma, me aprantia, the dinner, ho, hey, Louis Figo Freyo, Jordan Ferry Jorginho, and I'm for ready to Thomas Tay Pate, as we a player of free Ghana, was second, let me ask na Bobo Kono, me patron of Panama confirmed to myself, already to the Jorginho, a better than Yatem, our Flamingo, our Brazil, about Chimamo, now for Branton Kokosiakai, and so Tama, a young Flamingo Bobo Kono, Nani contract, never could have here, Nami Antumna says Westwa, already to the Jorginho, any player Bio, and from us na Bobo Kono, already to the Thomas Tepate, on a tsunami atom, necessities Westwa, Nasa asked and Perifonia Branton and Tassin in Coma, so for pen, SC Krataso, where started the contract in from us na Bobo Kona, honestly, free agent tobacco, Ama asked na Bobo Kono, me patron Perifon transfer back at Tesla, or more prepare life without already to the Jorginho, and not for already to the Thomas Tepate, and Team Ama Branton the thing, I was second. Edinburgh Girl, Sociedad Bobo Kona, me patrosa Brante way, and yes, some good talk clubs I would to be brave. And I just Omako Brantano, or anything, and you say Pep Godola, I seller, Jordan for the Pep Godola, me patro papa way, said in the nearest year, Prepam, a player where you did a picture on your two Facebook or so. I just say, and yes, some good talk, and no, they are Brante the thing, and a year Martins will be menti, or Sakan, Edinburgh, Rio Sociedad Bobo Kono, now me patro from to the Massa Brante way, asked them pay for the passer, one in the ideal replacement to my Brantia, the tenant Thomas Tepate, our Arsenal set up Primo, or when I Brante way, I Brante the thing, and Michael, I Brante the thing, and Matters remained Oba, next with John Fifua, in collaboration with already thing, and Martin Odegaard, Arsenal Fifua be a tight power, one bet to the certain part of your football, MSA, our Arsenal Bobo couldn't already tell me. Mikel Arteta Mantran, onom na yamani tadama asa Bobo Kono, papa nenya presse kwempia so sa Brante way, wo mutumi ye dwumaso na famo to the pa, na mo mpatwa according to report na pay, me say ka patcha say store, Arsenal pay focus wa, wo monitor the situation of Brante for the Thomas Tepate, kwaba the same Brante the body ball, etma so na fenyima, wo mo expecting from Brante for the Thomas Tepate no, wo mo say to maka, wo between Brante for the Thomas Tepate to say. Now, Motivate in Commerce the Beer, the Ghanaian International, the captain of the Blasters, Thomas Tepate, and the Penbasic Krataso, Obey studied the contract, and so Tama Arsenal Bobo Kunitari report, and on a pay a free Arsenal Bobo Kono, a from Australia to the bar. Yeah, want to Master Tababusha for life on your Goten Super Becatal 93.1, and was so good with who come here with TV, Sompa TV, what has on Facebook, so I have Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow, now now to message the bar and on Sompa TV and so our YouTube and also now subscribers to Tama come on na bibiam netma kwe so Tama me patro yen free us na Bobo kuna so ye na yen kwe dwuma kakra ewo Manchester United Bobo kunimo utro Manchester United Bobo kuna so ya once Manchester United Bobo kuno and perifo partners omo ye club wo mo so pa na Manchester United me patro omo aye fan o makreti edema disables what I say mo supporters now wo me disables no Manchester United bobo kono ewo budget kakra womo cham nso tama womo supporters no what as here ana fe Manchester United bobo kono esa wo budget womo tama womo former players enyima nkoye emfa mo na me pato ready to the set record and in put for quarters here omo patches there be womo adria debi ho Manchester United old players sika omo twade mo no ompeso bu twam na afei supporters na omo disables no omo ye bubu afo no womo so sika na so omo twia edemo mo no ompeso bu twam and already to the set record and in put for quarters here meeting me pato outcome of the meeting is Manchester United put for judgment say supporters ni sika no anya dia say me pato mu twam what as no de begina nemo pato old players na woma bobo na woma je mre no Manchester United bobo ko ni momaten and say old players no eka womo mbo foto mfanto so mo de ma old players no and dem patromotwam what as supporters need dey no there etimegina ano eye kakra no pay and so eba na me patro ready to the center Radcliffe on say papa no ni percentage of your Manchester United bobo kona me patro papa no woni getting to 30% of your Manchester United bobo kono na open avenue obetima create a lot of shares our Manchester United bobo kono when is taken no and so betima kosro enti papa no decided Manchester United Old Trafford Stadium this one and yet yes sir fitted the standard of your Manchester United bobo koninti me patron I was so to be pomatain now for Manchester United almost stadium no omo pomatain sweet Mr. Fofro na papa no quarters no when architects quarters no papa no patches and stadium nkwa and omo see omo pese omo develop the entire area of Old Trafford what you say ema ho also be a village a big global sports villager betuma attract tourism ama bi bia tuma ko etama Manchester United bobo kono ntade ba ko me patron omo pa ba ya ene stadium no mba be develop no o me invest ewo adawo do a etwa Old Trafford Stadium no enwo so etuma sia se bia wo mo betuma create ba bia wo bia be ro asam okwakwagi nani ama bi bia so etuma ko etama Manchester United bobo kono na sa project ne ko e ba cost about 2 billion pounds and more what I say instead of some project no to be now me patro ready to the set Radcliffe on the OTD pass later by 2030 there nanka sa project no woman to be now so kita to the pass be later by 2032 ana sa project no ready to the set Radcliffe apaso boy no woman ebe to the we now we can already to the Sheikh Jassim Altani me patro Manchester United bobo ko better was for person mo eton na fei woman investors obodo musika ebe robo Manchester United bobo ko no me patro papa no ready pass obetuma to Manchester United bobo kono ni proposal no de buy no and so to Manchester United bobo kono entirely Adia free you for some what I say Glass of for some no didn't stick us over the room after Manchester United for a couple of Dibiano Obesiagu not for Bobo Kono I had them free never be to Manchester United Bobo Kono me patro Glass the bush for the Mudukum Wamusik Bede and yet there's some patro ready to the Sheikh Jassim proposal on the Pano one bedjetum a basta now my Glass of for no Omutim just take a beer our Manchester United Bobo Konimo into me patro the bid no Adamo already thing and so and said to Radcliffe say when I didn't see Kaswaba Begram and not patro reported on a pay men say Kapata already to the Sheikh Jassim Altani I can watch them no and Kasiko already to the state of Radcliffe the patro spending with Manchester United Bobo Kudimno and Kasasikano already to the Sheikh Jassim Altani I didn't know the better Manchester United Bobo Kuno and yet there's a coverage the back now Manchester United studio no more kwasino already to the state of Radcliffe Kwako Bobo at your free bank be not for what the increase in the shares in stake our Manchester United Bobo Kunimo already to the Sheikh Jassim Altani no are ready to invest about 3 billion pounds sabi patrosal project on the buyer na Manchester United Bobo Kuno one more first left ama be Pierre Tobacco and so Taba Manchester United Bobo Kuno 20 kakra another pay free Manchester United Bobo Kuno Masaya and so they bar they went to my at the Abamu to so live on your Goten Super Becatal 9 93.1 ana wasugo so wutie no me patron abrante de din enso ene taral malasia de emperifo so tema wie abrante de kwesi akan adema PLV and Don Van Boboko no option say abrante de contract mu ene say me patron Don Van Boboko no omo pa abrante de din ene taral malasia amene tema to so a me patron de tede so betua 10 million euros ene deba Manchester United Boboko no that be abrante de bonus efa na okokwesi akan de club bia 30% beko enso dama Manchester United Boboko ntede kakra efri Manchester United Boboko no maso ye enso de pa concern abrante for the taral malasia na no mpacho ba memfanto de bosa already did Gary Neville aye former captain to Manchester United Boboko no also already did Ruben Philippe Mori Marquez already any boni ni papa amania was it 2 players Mr. Kain at the Manchester United Boboko no already did Ruben Amorim empo money mashe was bought against Crystal Palace now to be you saw Brante for the Kobimenu at him Guaten as a year force number 9 patch say no bench Brante for Joshua Zasi Robosa what as what bench already did Rasmus Holland a chain on double bar now percent players no oboba impact pain and omumeki and we give them a beer the patro explanation papa ebetu dama and say bia na wo ye experiment bi na say experiment no amfa what I say no kwani excuse Manchester United supporters no anofe ewiase football bia betu jatum anya say papa say Rasmus Holland betu ma physical presence attack already did Joshua Zesi and so betu ma quality attack we must say 2 players we omunya druba bia Manchester United supporters na expect na so be ya there already din any Bimanu Tinim Watia, what in the point number 9, or to the pastor already to the Ruben Philippe Mori Marquez, Papa and Paul already day, and Joshua Zasi, and of a Rasmus Holland on Pomasem, and until we are starting against Crystal Palace Bobokono, what him so already thing, and the Ruben Mori Bayer were born 19 games in all competitions, and the Teba Manchester United Bobokono, or Ranom, Elusu Makumaku 8, what I say, and you Koye, and for already to Ruben Philippe Mori Marquez, and your report, another pay. Mr. Kang, that you free Manchester United, and you for Manchester to the bar. You want to Matama, we had to better the so, Uko Facebook, the Swa Sompa 93.1. Now, Pomatan follow no share. Now to message the bar, and on a payback and kind, and so Taba, we had to better the so. The reason Tiami Patro ready to Rupin Amorim, and then pay for Manchester United and pay for the study, sir. Woman just signing Bia Yakidi, a yet genuine mono, I say, Manchester United Bobokono, or person we invested a lot. The mere dominance this one. I do confer quality players. I will matter come. I do what has a Brante for Victor James Osimhen. Was that kind of man Napoli Bobokono or Bolon de Dama Galabobokono. I will Turkish Super League already thing and Victor Jokeres. As we see a kind at the Emma Sporting CP Bobokono. What if Sir Brante for the Hurricane? Are you possible some Manchester United and pay for a better register more interest? I will Brante. You're funny Hurricane. Now, Faye, and you met to Tama Manchester United Bobokono. Benjamin Sesko Ekao, and Manchester United Bobokono, Wama to Boboas instead of Beer, Namia Tumness and Sid Neswa, Wama Stabet to a quality players to come on board. Now for Metima before Matakano, Naman Patroma main fan to the in the sheets. And that's on the sheets of already day and a Ruben Philippa Morim. Papa decided say Ora and it Rasmus Hoylund after Joshua Zasi or Boss as 2 players no. I was what me job okay now for the quality strikers and double bar. Now Manchester United Bobo Kuromatak no. I know yes me part already to the 20 Messi mount. Manchester United and put for better coin already to look power show. Manchester United and put for better coin. A branch of the Manuel Ugarte Rebello Bugatti. Manchester United and put for better coin. I'm an alcohol enough to be Pierre Tobacco. And so Taba Manchester United Bobo Kuno already to the 20 Evans or Badawi yeah and that's the talk and I'm a main fan to a minute of pacer. Robo Manchester United Bobo Kono and some yeah already Tony Carlo Henrique Joseph Francisco Venancio Casemiro Jordan Fede Casemiro Manchester United and pay for Ashon Papa nan kobu Sam and ka offer free Saudi Arabia ba nan kometuma Jomosika na Brante Fede Casemiro metuma Jano amane kona so offer no aswen to mama and no a report another pay a free Manchester United Bobo Kono a free Maso so de ba ye want to matema mo ye to better so mama free Manchester United Bobo Kono so ya na fe me nko etuma kakra me ko Manchester City me ko etuma ba monfam already ten ani you say Pep Guardiola Isala to do not for the Pep Guardiola mon for the picture into TV no so ba me na mpacho already to the Pep Guardiola papa no assembly si ama ashe papa ni nya ne sa Branton for the Kyle Walker John player no ye captain the Manchester City bobo kono or one and what say already to the ticket bagrestana tabu jika sporting director the Man City bobo kono wa already to the Pep Guardiola amania I say me patro Pep Guardiola mi wa Branton for the Kyle Walker bam officer was say born on to be mobile or pursue free Manchester City bobo kono na fe okosia kan at the back for na club pen boba or so bobo AC Milan bobo kono now already to the Pep Guardiola Branton we send you free Argentina went to be nankasa and convince nanka no more the rest of the season and for Manchester City bobo kono and already to the Pep Guardiola say onya where if it's a branch for the Kawakano, one in your free papa, what has one in your very close into say a branch was some can and can this one ball ready to the ticket by Gresteho, cause to be part of office straight. Now for the battle ready to the Pep go to him, a branch the tin Kawaka Wanyasa or Kokatro ready thing any ticket by Grestano Tabu Jika and TV part of some way as you ready to the Pep go to the papa, I'm more for a branch for the Kawaka, Ebusan Kawaka, Yampa, some Wakato ready to the ticket by Grestano. Say, Upaso Freeman City Bobo Kudimu, a branch for the Kawaka say, I, Makacho ready to the ticket by Grestan, and was Nasobe started the class. So, me know you are very close, HN player Bia, and close what to be the kind of Boma Mania and Sana, Wakacho ready day, any ticket by Grestan, Tabu J, Korea Sporting Director, and Man City Bobo Kuno, now Nipacho Dientia, already to the Kawaka decided, sir, Obe Freeman City Bobo Kudimu, sir, me Pacho to the same, 23 matches, sir, now Man City Bobo Kuno. No, a branch for the Kawaka was 39 pair. The Akanon, now branch for the Matune Nesmo, and of a recall Wisman, the General Batua, or more part of Man City Bobokono, and my branch for the Kawaka the Bufui, and would decide the same, go free Man City Bobokonimo, Akokosiakai, at the Amakla Frontanier report. I don't pay a free Manchester City Bobokono from Australia, as to the bar, young Wachuma, at him, Amamon pay, may Cordial Matu Bobokonimo, may Kwakuachmakakra, our Yelman to Bobokono. Na me patron already to the Calo Michel, Angelo, and Salotti Caleto, to the Fenecalo as Lotti manager, at him, Amariel Batubokono, Papana Swayase, and Mr. Me patron Cordial Batubokona Swaya, Master Place ne pre Pradato. And now some talker, Real Madrid players no, woman pre-plan and woman see till it can bobokono, and a tip in the second way, me patch the only natural center back of which I have Branton for Raul Asensio, or no any player, when natural center back, our Real Madrid for Womacho, none of per report to mistake part say, a Branton for Jacobo Ramon, a player, or ya Crofila Masin Waba, a command say, and already thing, and a color and slotty track, Nessa and Fapper, Namia to against Atletico Tubokono, and ya Branton for Raul Asensio, and of Jacobo Ramon, any players from my partner, our Madrid derby against Atletico Tubokono, Italian report, I don't know pay, Mensakam, and your free Real Tubokono, Womashe, Wajuma, at him, Amamu to so, Anton Lonin, Ebeda Podimo, and I expect a so bit to other Podimo Tamar Gelman Tubokono, Lucas Vasquez and Glacias, Aurelian Chomeni Jani, Raul Asensio, Fernand Mendy, Brahim Abdelkader Diaz, already to look at Treta, Mastro Lukita, Federico Santiago Favadi Peter, El Hakon Pompazo, already to that Tegula, and of the entrance, Felipe Morera de Souza, to the entrance, and of the Jose Pasayo, Oliveira Vinicius Jr., to the Vinicius Jr., the patron wedding players and now, I expect us, one bet to start Tamar Gelman to Bobokono, and so I was Spanish Copa de Quarter Finals, against the deal in Cane Bobokono, and on a report the free Real Madrid Bobokono, and from Australia, as to the Bamon for Real Madrid for training, and Phantom, a TV, so now for you to enjoy it. Real Madrid players need prepare already to Antonio Rudiger, and for David Alapo, Lato Kumbu, and some apprentice players when you know, when you have available to church, and no a Real Madrid Bobokono, and to training at Facebook, or more prepare against the deal Gane. Now, so one training will let you come out to gamer. Namia to Saturday, and also met to Auto Janoso, and take a great Real Madrid Bobokono, and from Australia, after the bar, young went to Maso to Babusa for now this season. Ye players of Prayer, our Real Madrid Bobokono, already to the Fedi Vavadi, Luka Modric, Van Garcia, Atagula, Entrich, any Afe, Antolonin, any players are, Omon prior this season, our Real Madrid Bobo Kudimu, Omoma Kenyano, Obia Prepra, and on a reporter free, Real Madrid Bobo Kudamasya, and so they buy Yamachuma at him, Abamu so live on Sompa 93.1. Now, me Patroba, me fan to the Bossa, Oko Real Madrid Bobo Kudam, Lamasya, already to the Cristiano, Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, El Temperano, Rapido Bokina, El Bicho, to do not finish Ronaldo. When you're 40 years, Real Madrid could not celebrate in a grand style. Bishop Atapo Quatrase. Now Ronaldo at the age of 40 and I'm making the 40th birthday no where yes some of the targets of Ronaldo actually must say Obetuma achieve and sana the football career no what happened the year me patron first one and it's 2026 World Cup Obetuma Robo America Buchimo Moko Sakadima Portugal na set no na Portugal for Obetuma World Cup no Ronaldo again the biggest achievement I watched must say Obetuma achieve and sana with retire me patron Ronaldo a person on your goals. Now the goals never reach 1,000 goals. So far, Okra 923 goals. Ronaldo, a person with reach 1,000 goals and still with retire. Me patron in terms of field matches, what ball at the Portugal Ghana set team no. Me patron was born 217 matches and the Deba Portugal Ghana set team no. Ronaldo person reach 250 matches for the national team. And for person in the banner when you're 14 years, Ronaldo Junior no, ne Bapen no, our friend Ronaldo Junior no, or person in the banner, it's at the same pitch. Now for Musa Academy, the same team. Also the banner in 14 years was still kind. Adima Anastal Bobo Kono, or person in the banner, and some let's pop the banner making a debut. No need just so. Now for me, Pierre Tobacco, so Jaman way. I am part achievement of Ronaldo, a person who achieve me patron Ronaldo the net worth at the age of 40, okra $800 million, which is 766 million euros. I know I am a patron Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. The fina so ya aso de ba ye won tuma taba mo ye tuma tere so aba bibiam aso etuma konkan na nyame atuma basa forces sikasem se so bu chaba biye pa pele bi obetwo monim bia no mbasan nyame atuna se sis we so a wo mania prepa ntina wo man so da anya signings no Liverpool boboko no this season kwa Liverpool boboko ne sika wo mo spend ye ayo 42 million euros. Liverpool boboko ne spend 42 million euros per and they call players na already thing and an astro so or chain I'm a season that could be a season it could be a pa master so don't be top players now for my beefy up squad no and you might be so Tama Liverpool Bobo couldn't 20 no pay and also by live on Sompa 93.1 yes. Bishop Atapoku Atsase Bishop want to say Bibia call Ose what's your
man and two form?
Yatum.
A crossroad and cost.
A crossroad.
Every 15 goes and
every call. What's your member?
My Miss Kankoto prepared me the assam.
Bishop.
And I
Asamba yen when you put
again. I mean, come on. Behind the scenes. I'm the master to anima. I fell now, Baba.
No, Bishop Baboa, all the state.
No, Nimon, how I'm marrying him. I crack it wash and a cheap. Mean school fees.
Bishop.
Me rent to Besso, a Chanaria,
Bishop Baboa, all the state.
Now one can't in the Obenya.
Asimbeni. Bishop would ye into us.
It's young to also say, Mamiana.
Bishop Baboa, your point.
I feel now, Cassana first in the answer.
But who's the kind of mood?
It's in the memory of your 7 vegetarian Ghana. Say their boss, Mr. Ewo.
Also, lucky boss, Baboa.
Never got a man. Samuel Kokuka, no man.
Lucky boss, Baboa. Betway, so and the matches be bro. Betway, bet saver, betway.
Perhaps my said I did me on the pay. Hey, Pepra. Is it a betway and say now? What are from also for Pepra? The iron.
Yeah, betway. Match be obedi biano e automatic cash out.
Me ye aduane obedi nne. Akra na onyim no na duru.
Real Madrid. Madrid Liga na ubetuma predict. What I say na your bed.
Newcastle and share na memeda.
Oh, that be
Newcastle and share.
Betway were automatic cash out.
Eno ne de hin no.
Anti edi nyina na ehwegum. Opa, what means that
ntimi ntwa say 1000 Ghana.
O say oh na the betway there won skaki to bi na wa be.
Skaki to asem say be say mi bubu.
O dey here o dey yanko.
I'm saying we need be one. So
Obi heavy. We are Kodiska.
and I'm oh yeah, Mamma,
Bishop Yanko.
You know what? Now Liverpool here pre-season war US war Pittsburgh.
Okay.
Mene Gizo na Tom Kruger na koe na hotel ho ne nkomo kakra and a slot. We tried getting into his mind in the conversation here because it's very
important. Oh, video me hey.
Look at them say yeah release Tom release
about video bab until now.
Me not me in the me trabet nsa. And a slot in the conversation was trying to convince Ayrton and China say the Dutch school is to train people in the image the coach wants to see them. Let me say, bro, we the nyame the Tom. You penny okay, you should be to play and then yeah. Then the second part of that conversation was that oh, just send a new man see corner. Yeah, appointing. Name na Liverpool nim in April. Time be clear. Say, Xabi Alonso entry by Leverkusen. They became clear on who they wanted. Someone Xabi Alonso, now Xabi Alonso say, "Oh, movie."
Okay,
they would go for Anna Slot.
Yeah.
And they didn't the name be Deserbi din wo, Amorim din wo, Thomas Frank din wo, Michel na or Girona no.
Yeah.
They considered quite a number. But almost share now say, offer points per game, not just 1 season, 2 seasons, 3 seasons. If we AZ Akma ever final, a Juma and a slot iron points per game, he is in the top 5 of all time.
Wow!
In the Eredivisie. And I Liverpool
and a slot.
Prepare for who say Harry, Hanokwa on both 3 top players, mommy. Nemum Niawono, he would improve them. I know, and come on now in the hotel lobby. I'll catch you say. Papa became Ruben Peters, the sports scientist.
Yeah.
No, see, he's one of the greatest minds in sports medicine. I see, hey, Dutch for the you need to see whom when he be amo there. Now, the way our offset program Emma players, no, it is such that or or stress, fatigue, and overload prevention.
Wow.
Stress, fatigue, overload. And our recovery. Say, oh yeah, and I need bra.
Okay.
So saying babaka. What do you do for the person? Into say the Ruben Peters, man no, fine no. So Otimibe to us Liverpool, I expect to say pre-prano so better. Wow. So you would have a lot of the players available. Some come on and check. You did and I'm catching Tom say Charlie. This guy is a smart guy. Additionally, the Korea Liverpool and a Real Betis. Now, na person in case and share an slot after BBI ball match in the area. Now, Tom, Emma share Barcelona centre back now. A friend of Mark Bartra. Emma Bartra need come for hours into the area. No, now you can't see your car on the slot or be man. Yeah, do for the pay. Now, the Liverpool would have to buy players in the summer for Anna Slot because in 1 year, near 1 year, I'm more mohunu. Eddie Adansi Pefe say, with the added tools, he can do very, very well. Because me ata personally, me say Anna Slot ebe coachy Liverpool. Me catch up with me as a Charlie. I do me yeah.
Now why a shock?
Yes, a shocked. But you see, you Ferguson, Wenger, you Ferguson Moyes, and a Wenger Unai Emery. Even Unai Emery, our experienced coach, no crano, struggle replacing Wenger. Alex Ferguson, Moyes, a chino. Just a moment about Van Gaal. Van Gaal is a better manager than Anna Slot. Louis Van Gaal.
Yeah.
Ono craba. Anfa. Who born dog?
Now Anna Slot.
See
to manage Liverpool.
Now, one of the key ingredients to Liverpool's smooth transition, and they say, Jurgen Klopp, Emma Hokwain, said the last 2 months, training via Liverpool baby, or recording for Anna Slot. Into not only matches, and on it, Ryan, the video analyst, no, they had access to the Liverpool players' body language and attitude towards training.
Okay.
It's now here in the press conference now. I see the number 9 of Liverpool must be a scorer and a facilitator. Number 9, Onimbobo.
On a slot.
Yeah. Number 9, be no open. Open number 9, a ball, ne dawa. Obebo biaman. Ombe drew box, no. Football has evolved.
Firmino most style.
No, see Firmino goals, no. He scored goals.
Yeah.
But open more goals and Firmino creative style.
Okay.
Into the any firma. Find power in the modern game. And a slot. And models are they were on so. The first impression for me would be Ruud van Nistelrooy. Yeah. That's what he's looking for. The Dutch school, that's what they look for. Jeff, he's looking for Marco van Basten. Play the game, come and finish the game.
Get involved and be the finisher.
In modern days, back Accra, he's looking at a Ronaldo, the phenomenal. And I say, Yankwechi, on the African market, he's looking for Samuel
And
no, so that is the reason why they are struggling with their attack. And then Nunes.
No, but currently, your transfer market in Swa, you someone.
The closest I would have gotten money for.
Where?
Hurricane. He's the obvious fit. When you ball the ball and you come and finish you off. Box. No. The reason why the Dutch like that kind of play, and it's a pesa Ellen Haaland and common be almost. And I didn't know born a boy and he had 10 touches. Holland no bet me no about 6 touches in the game. 2 years goals.
Yeah.
And he's been prepared. Make sure you are available when we are finishing the move.
Okay.
Even that, Nancy Crown, Pep upbuilded Holland to a point where Otimi Babe Bobo Nibi now no against Chelsea. Go now, Phil Foden share. He's the one that prepared the goal for them. But he hasn't got the technical ability. That coach Bia of modern era, and a slot no number 10 as a player. Me sure say he watched Romario at PSV Eindhoven in 88, 89, 90. Ebra, almost just our Champions League. No? Romario was also another gem. We Nkoma boys now mbobo ni nam for na mbobo no. Look, so why you say obebo enim honum as a striker? Na say what options are? What options na two? Na friend no target man number 9, Holland, Drogba, feeding up defenders, Fernando Torres, and I said the real number 9, Ibrahim Tanko.
Wow.
Yeah, ball. Ibrahim Tanko.
And the 14 year
Hey, bullet man. Baby, look. Augustine Ahemfu. Ball. Number 9, ball. Bobby.
Yes, yes, why imagine say strike the moon baby or mom na mom.
No, see how mun yabi. They are open in the summer, they would go into the market. Okay, into a press conference, no. And then come on any deal of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania now. He's staying true to his words. Liverpool left back. Roberts na Emre.
Okay.
Chimikas and so I Emre. Ubia say Liverpool Milos Kerkes. What it?
Milos, yeah.
The left back they actually want. Almost such a Real Madrid. Miguel Gutierrez.
Miguel. Yeah.
No, he's their first choice. But Real Madrid will buy back. I'm going to say Ferland Mendy Swassa. Until they are not certain, say Real Madrid, on be activity, I don't know.
There's a bishop, the Omo Liverpool, no, they are not going to buy anyone.
January.
Me can't summon him.
Oh no, they will buy. They will be very active.
Because specific players are dependent, they are not available.
No, you see, let's go into the summer market. Unya Hurricane into plan B by wine. Unko Gyokeres no.
Ishak.
No, beyond the Ishak, Wahama, Santiago Jimenez, not the free Mexico buy, no. Echo AC Milan. So you would need an upgrade, okay? You just don't go into the market.
Okay.
You get it. And into Nandra, na me Chelsea for na actually comes no. Who Jackson? Who Mark the Mammy
under 1 minute.
I mean, Tom this year. Ichi, Bassett, Kofi Boachi. When you have Jackson, right?
Yeah.
If I'm an Infa Premier League, I'm a striker. Be a Moko Fanaba. Me or Jackson as me number 9. Now I call Brentford. So mommy, you want Wizard. Drogba, no name said Torres in Bossino. And the reputation Torres was carrying near Bruno Diaz. Torres Bedru and Drogba had to show
what he can do.
Benching. He was still the bona fide number 9. So Kofa player about abe compete players number 1. Now one fade players now dream almost say Bruno so Obeba no asa relax down. Oh, he see.
Okay.
After all what? That is the realm Chelsea should go in the summer.
Someone now or bro Jackson.
He
can work.
Jackson Akofa Jorgensen about Sanchez. Sanchez no na mo say den obesaba. Ne mo man ne goalkeeper bi o ya de bi Mike Maignan bi ba. Mo say na ni so bring ye betumi. Iron sharpened
iron.
Thank you.
Okay. But that's a Bishop Atapoku. Yeah, that's a pa impost eba Mr. No Jaso. Bomode sa wasabe tumakabi na nunumbi. Me pacho sa impost eba Mr. Maker wansami. And a bit ma boama o gablada no. Eso etma function ye pa. Na immune system netma ye juma na ya debia duku ni pediano. Ne brabonu nyina ebe yiri nyina afri ho ama ho so etma ye ding. What I say, but Pamo Yadebia, your free pedianimo, into imbus dear, me patronia draw also dasani biawina be, and no not fabi beer to me acquaint diamount, na imboost pharmacy no, and so your beer what I say, imboost pharmacy, say ya bro from Robbie withdraw a bonnet da form, who pebia to atoa, I was so to be called imboost pharmacy na fay, ube to no be a tongue, na uba bones and pipe one at the form pa, arches a wood to a benyan for so be bray, yet check quine, I will call the any matter is a son no. Ana 18 hwanimu ewo kode what asenti bra na bra betu enuani bi enso ewo ho kama na ne patcho de tedesa impost ba Mr. no pedu to a ahoma we na be frɛ 0246 208496 0246 208496 yahoma obetuma frɛ impost ba Mr. Mpedi for Dr. Sharp na fe woni na edin komo Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited say me fanto ni say ban chance a chese emu odu ehyew ne nka wodi kuru dana so a ema wo dem wo da bia dem wo be yinwunu na etima mo opomuden ebetima ma ventilation so etima ba dan mu enfama betima fa dan mu kama wo de any Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited wo mon chance ni bi ana me patron no mo quarters na fe wo mo de bo dana so de amount e ban standard sheet e ban euro tiles e ban allo zinc na fe RBR e ban self lock na fe metal ni nyina no wo mo de bia ba na de ba ko ye sonko e wo Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited wo mon chance no say wo mo de kuru dana so a ho enso to a na say eso ye fi enu ankasa e rodo ho nti de bia no chance ne ye mo no na kala bia wo pe bia so ya available enu ye Joy Cam omo bo adwuma papa enu omo eni nkomo ne mo nkomase a wo pomo cha kwan a omo e wo sokoba mpa me omo ne police station no ana edin hwani mu udru akra kasua kumase techiman sunwane tamale boga wa honum nyina obo Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited and for them 34 so at me at incomo 0551 005 000 0551 005 000 and that's 0551 000 9000 0551 000 9000 Yahoma Ube to my friend Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited and for them 34 at the incomo Apostle Jeffrey Asari Ewa good morning.
Good morning, Bokodi. Now, quick one before I make call, Mr. I think that Alfonso Davies contract now Bayern Munich. I'm watching my idea. It's a very good deal. Player. It's a good deal because first of all, quality ni profile no any common our market.
Alfonso Davies.
Yes, the profile any common on the market. So. For such a player, it's very difficult to get a replacement for him. You don't allow the player to go so making sure say so no. So what transcend beya Obama stability to the team, especially at the back, and then what he offers with the crosses and excellent runs from the left flank of Obetmiabo as a left wing back. He can play as a left winger. He crosses very well. He come in full and play as a central attacking midfielder. He can score with a good drive. That is the quality he has. Or excellent recovery and speed. So for such a player, the profile and that common, and it's 24 years age no so year. So it means that Ubenyano for several years for you to be able to compete very well and win trophies. And it's good for the coach because Ebasana destabilizes the structure of the coach defense our building are prepare for Sebi winning the Bundesliga and then ensuring that he does well also in Europe. So a very good thing for him to do. Ebasana a more pressure and more team no so a more confidence about the entire Bayern Munich system because they've retained him. I think the next thing they have to do is the young man called the magic close control dribbler.
Okay.
That is Jamal Musiala.
Okay.
They need to also say he's 21.
Yeah, they are working on
That
it.
he will be the future of the team together with Davis. So they need to make sure that Hurricane there, Sebio, the age, is not a future for Bayern Munich.
Okay.
So Jamal Musiala is the future of if he with the face of a new Bayern Munich with quality young additions that will come into the team. So we'll make sure that they're able to solve that. Basa, team consistency, coherence, and a good structure and confidence in the team. So there's so it's good. They should make sure to us. Now, make our NBA.
Okay.
Blockbuster transfer BSC and see the history of NBA. Now, same be and APF free map, and I have to explain that. On the face value of his own TS here. Now, on my Mark Cuban picture. Mark Cuban, okay.
Mike Cuban.
So, me mom, baby, I dare no share say free and sana. Luka Doncic, and I call LA Lakers, and Anthony Davis, I call Dallas Mavericks. Now, let me explain.
Okay.
One is shocking to the world, but we are saying, so to BRC, so be exing the Sebio, or the no ma, obi, so no Sebi mpema grodi na siken free mba no fanya de onti ase otie na oka baby ba onu ni sintia
Onu di asi.
yeah now my Cuban papa we oye Dallas Mavericks team no oye on their owner na nsema no say o person of ordinary share name from and say o team no Emma the Marian Anderson family omo casinos kese wa America bebe omo obi now Ebasa no omo chacha no krofo ko pa ono munyo musike free enti omo de ba Patrick Dumont baby asem ni nyina woni papa we ono a na kofa Luka Doncic Luka Doncic omo ye ni friends and draft I two players afi no mo bankola omo se bi omo dachi ena Atlanta Hawks ekofa no ena oni omo ko di dwa no odi oto no free Atlanta Hawks nsem Obepe Luka Doncic asem to say about me can what no say so choose between the ni Luka Doncic obe choose Luka Doncic and divorce in the
Serious.
yeah that's the level you develop the relationship with the boy because us on the boy will play top class future and on him faswa or no as a businessman the way a businessman is doing different from the way of being a businessman is doing and to obe pa kola say ni akola no ye man Opebi Omano and Akolano so a yena said as a top player. Now, so way at the background, and to say no Patrick Dumont no on Shada or no managing team no on Shada ni Akola way ni sa chakane dono. There was a disconnect when until or no at majority shares. Emma that doesn't Miriam family no and on only minority shares. So now and our first no or involved in almost train your matches or we own this come about Patrick Dumont so on this team see how on we be Kambuma or the superstar of the team I saw also saw the name on him. So that disconnect has happened. Now, Mama may your friend is saying the general manager Rob Pelinka and vice president of basketball operation Emma LA Lakers. Okay. Nico Harrison. Sebiu, a Sumasi Dready, and easy. So these are the two of them. Rob Pelinka and our right, on our share deep black, and Nico Harrison our left. Now, Edwedie na a highly secretive Edwedie. The two players they don't nobody knew. Ehia GDA Srunkun and Sana Sadi Nisi. Now check what.
Okay.
There are two of them. How come this deal came about? It's important to have the background. Omu Mienui. Omu ye French 2003. Now 2000 Omu Nyankofano the former unfortunate top player. If I know Kobe Bryant or Bo LA Lakers no Onyani baby plane crash 2020 no. Now Abraham Papa no Rob Pelenka no war Antelen ye omo manage agent for Kobe Bryant. And a Kobe Bryant no party. Now we your friend Nico Harrison at that time now you two of our young guys, no we're 25, no age one Nike.
Okay.
So Kobe Bryant any Adidas deal every year. And in the says so you want to know I know I share no share Reebok. No the he's a big star and any shoe manufacturing company big one will want to associate with him. No I share Reebok, no I share Nike. Now twice Nico Koneho Amfa. Say you person do buy Nike. Then came Robert. And to true that now come Robert yeah now only Kobe nam. And then they became friends. And they pulled out a $40 million Nike deal for Kobe Bryant.
Wow.
So that's how come they became very tight. Now the second thing also had to do this year because of that Nike business be on So what happened was that they became very close friends in 2003. Now, since then, we're Ginedipa. Now, deal with 7 January, our the Crescent Court Hotel or US. And Nico Harrison Frere, Madam Vo. Person me adiebi na adene hu na won kwa na metimeji wedi. And I said okay. Adie so they went to the hotel. Me person me ton Luka Doncic ma.
Hey.
Sir, mention Anthony Davis. Luka Doncic a point guard or basketball time t or the coach on the floor. Nyansan bia passing, move, control the game. The right pass or no yes. Coach na junior na fan so. And a power forward no there. They are good rebounders. They are good screen skaters and then also rim protectors and scorers. To time to let me bring you. Now, so a bar so Sarah say, I deal with anti Odi Enkaya non tum. Jomo Komano to ma Saturday and Sunday, Monday, na bomb no 2 year. Players me look. Anthony Davis not or sending message after LA Lakers etc. New York Knicks. Me now for me that must say Bibia Kosu no nimo. Onim ne Kosu. Look at Dodgy the only Minnesota Timberwolves were proud now left calf strain until he'll be playing hopefully next week or next week to the Lakers.
Okay.
Now a basa no obia ebutu ade na we kosu. Near woman say adentina ombeto Luka Doncic. This boy averaged 28.7 points per game. Third behind Michael Jordan and Wilson. Wow. Yes.
Wow.
In history of NBA. Last year, prior, he played 67 games. He was averaging 33.9 points. That's in point. 9.2 rebounds. And then 9.8 in assists. He's the biggest star in basketball today. Slovenian Luka Doncic. He makes everything happen.
Luka Doncic.
And Thierry Mwanga, but there's a history to it. Now, Casey Smith, a chef player or a director or chef player, he was sacked by Patrick Dumont, or you're close to this gentleman. Then, Osan Saki Jeremy Hosopo, or no, your strength coach, or Pamono. We are close to the young man about fitness. Then, also, you have a situation where a Basano or started so having issues. Because the coach, Jason Kidd said, put you up weight. Why you look at around? Why you no condition say an untimimbo a lot of minutes as in the past. Me a coach, me kasa so familiar. So this is the build up to the Dallas Mavericks. Normal reason why they have decided to let him go.
Okay.
Don't forget, as a rookie, young guy, fresh or game NBA no more. He was signed for $207 million. Never in the history of NBA.
The most expensive.
At that time, it was the most expensive. At the age as a rookie.
Yeah.
Now, there is something after. Now, he has to renew this the next 5 years. This summer. To $345 million. They can't raise that money now because of how they are restructuring. And so after this next season, LA Lakers are ready to pay that money, the 345 or even $400 million. Was it footballers who don't have money? Now, what is happening is that this deal to Dallas Mavericks a big deal for them because someone pay a good defensive player. NBA finals or look at the NBA final, they lost to the Boston Celtics. This year, another finals. So 31-year-old Davis will help them. But the 25-year-old perennial MVP every year contender, no, he will be the next face after LeBron James, who is 40 years.
Wow.
So the new face for the LA Lakers is Luka Doncic. Listen, this boy is deadly. He passes.
Doncic.
He passes when he's on the floor sprawling. He can give a pass. He's deadly. Don't go there. He's deadly.
Luka Doncic.
Undisputed. He's won the Champions League with Real Madrid basketball team.
Yeah.
Won Euro Slovenia in 2017. So we are talking about a guy who near one team and GP at the NBA ring. That is where he's come to a place where they win the ring. They win rings.
Has he become the new face?
He is the new face. He's the new face.
Still.
He's the new face for LA Lakers franchise, the new face. And then LA Lakers, what they need now is a good center. Because Sebio, now Anthony Davis was a power forward in the center, a big center. Jackson Hayes, I wore the friend is saying, Lakers is here and Bob, they need to get an upgrade above him.
Okay.
When they have the center and this man is fit by next week, and he was at the game where LA Lakers, LA Clippers, 122-97, and he saw what LeBron James did. So, I mean, look, LeBron already admire him a lot, and he's the new face for Lakers. All Lakers need to do is get a quality center, upgrade by Jason Hayes, and then start having a wonderful time. Come next summer, they'll be able to get more additional quality, and he will be the face of LA Lakers. And LA Lakers, the Showtime team will bounce back gradually with time. Yeah.
Okay. Medasipa, yes. Apostle the Yatin Canon Jeffrey Asari. Yeah, but was on the Yedin Como. Then commoded Dosupa. Yane Express Group. Emedin Como.
So, only James need. On affording his son.
LeBron.
Or share game no. Now Lakers, Clippers, has and Kotoko. In basketball, only a bit rivals.
Yeah.
And so that's the new boy, the boy we are talking about.
Okay.
Now, so 345 million. No, Nina call ni who?
Ekono.
Yes, that's how basketball. Nina call ni who?
Hey.
What's it?
Apostle. Eradi yesu hu yemobo. Kwenye yoma. Okay. Young corner for your Express Group in Como. Minya, oh, you need Como. You need Como. Yeah. And a bishop pressure, and I know the bow. I was in the prepaid that Sunny just said, okay, you need Como. Express Group, but I want to say, Bibiabo called here. Oh, what was what the visa man was what the man. You need Como, Minya, so Bibiabo call Express Group, and I paid the more than my.
March 31, 2025, yeah. That is, assuming there's a new Canada for lunch care program.
Okay.
I'm almost starting 2024 nim kakra. But on my replacements, Biama, say March 31st, on more air lunch a care programmer, a makwama foreign workers, if you're mukrum.
Care program.
Yeah.
Okay.
Makwama foreign workers.
Care program near day.
Care program near year. I would say Canada population no. Or more age in a quenimu pa. In fact, you follow more history no. Kufua a year aged 60 and above. If you know air pa. As you see, more about 10.4 million people who are between 60 and 70 years. Or more about 20 million people who are more than 75 years. Inti omo age no nipa enyini woman no ko animu. Inti ase young people work room ho omo ye much energetic no wo fam. Inti dodo no nso nyini no a omo ko animu no de e be che ne se bebre be hia attention wo fie ene hospitals ahodo. Anti ebasa no a ewo so man no tena se no ohwe kwan obetumi afa so abɔ ne manfo no ho ban. Nti eno na ama omo ahyehyɛ sɛ omo bɛma kwan ama foreign workers aba na omo atumi abɛboa ahwɛ saa nkofukuo na enyini kwa animu no. Nti eno ne care program na sɛ obi kɔboa obi ahwɛ no wɔ fie ana hospital titrom krofo a enyinyini a omo hia mmoa with self care. Nti by March 31st no mbe launch Stadia no na 2025 we okay, so Oma bia launch ne dia Oma specific requirements. I'm the UK for year bi no more specific requirements. Now Canada for also they have given specific requirements. Nti obi pese oya omo kyerɛ enema potia eni nipa potia omo hia. Yes. Nti as it stands now information no a omo releasing in kakra at least basic ones no ye said ye ubetumi afa aboabo ho agada o documents a ebetumi ama ebetumi ama onsuso no what to me apply be. So for now these very basic things are very important. Information they also tell us and say applications they are accepting from the whole world. You can't say na man for be or marry so Ghana for nko da bi e wiase nyina da bia afi mu no omo need that so say omo benya applications between 4 and 5,000. 4 and 5,000 applications and omo hwe animu say omo sabeka. Now these applications are coming from the whole world. Kurubia so. Nti niema in the interim omo dia tudwa say opese oya obetumi aboabo ho. Number 1 ne say anya hwe no I was say we senior high school. That is number 1. Number 2 ne say omo wo language proficiency omo de be check it. And no omo demand they say anya hwe IELTS watchro bi na onchro ye no a watchro no enu kwan say generally yabaka say enu kwan say winya score a less than 4.5. Eni so winya score a less than 4.5. The toss me say over experience kakra say na obisa no e wo health sector no maybe a why health assistant or hospital be pay na or nursing background or healthcare sector no more. Yeah, na a very good a plus for you. Now fe what build do CV things that part a party bia yeah na a yeah you work this part of the world. What you say you ask people to present CV. In fact, if you are an employer, sometimes you would wish to. They will be CV, no. It's somehow truly say unya permanent residency could do Canada. You would have to put up a CV that meets up with Canadian standard to be able to convince an employer to give you a job. Yes. They said they all call Europass CV standard. So, opese okunya healthcare job or Canada, you must follow that sequence because we be here on never in annual CV. No, most of the time when you bring your things, they will pick your CV first, look at it, then they will go and confirm with what qualifications are over. Until when I can understand, they will receive thousands of applications. The opese they are standing out. You must ensure say what build on your man. Pepe, yes, they will throw it away. So, this is something that is about to happen now. The who here might if one say, what any of these healthcare background that when you be obey a deal will be no. Did he can say untro IELTS ni bi asha se hwehwe kira kwan. Naturally because they are launching it March 31st. So at least yes. In between now and March 31st, if you decide to obey IELTS ni bi yes, we to me actual every na when you score at least no one who say what when you say part near then at the ato na fe the aka yeah what me start to say build it upon those things now what me gather documents
Canada for project or person in who express group ebe buani panel ama wetuma fete standard ya Canada for pay.
Perfect.
Now wetuma wuram.
Exactly.
Express Group.
And
Obe guide the panel.
yes. And until near day to just say if sir interest no that area no. Now this is permanent residency.
Okay.
That's what people should understand. Once you secure the job, which will build those documents in now secure job now. The moment I'll be do Canada no, then they give you a permanent residency status.
Wow.
And you can go with family. Advantage of no. It is what we build on near money. Yeah. It is that's why, like you are saying, that's why we are there.
Okay.
Yeah, say, come. If you don't have IELTS, your tutors should take you through.
Okay.
I ever watch now. I'm more passing. Watch all tests and pass at least to get SAS scores no or more no. Number 2 is that you ever to build a standardized CV a MITI Canada healthcare system no or more no.
Okay.
Na ya boa mo agada all of your documents. Now there are specific care homes. I deal with the account and say when you finish putting all of your documents together, you must put in an application.
Okay.
So and now you must apply to one of the many care homes Canada no. In all of the different provinces. There are so many care homes you would have to apply to them. Now the entire I was say, people will be applying to all of these care homes. Applications in the back. But also more cut-off points. They are expecting between 4,000 and 5,000.
Okay.
That is what people should also
from
have
the whole world.
From the whole world.
Yes, I am married.
So, I
I'll say, to me, follow more instructions. No,
clearly.
So the bear, you bet to my pickle
clearly. And yes, sir. One here, I'll be the child, I'll be no.
Okay.
So,
okay.
And so we are asking all of the people who have interest in those areas and say, Muba will sit down with you.
Okay.
And then help you build your documents.
This program, they were a Ghana full program. Or so be a den hurem.
Yes.
Mocha kwano hai.
You were a doom railway police station. Kingdom Curtains abrosign. You were ho. You were Asafo labor roundabout. I feel you were airport roundabout also. Ewo Kumasi heya. So kwa cry you were Kaneshi first light. I feel you were UPSA opposite UPSA main gate in our Prestige Hostel. I want to you and I be Golf Filling Station. A war community 18 no.
Okay.
I want to see a trip ho. Tamale ya wo Ayana building and a Sunyane so. Ya wo be Malcolm Dino. I wo Sunyane. Nti baby a oba obehu yen.
Okay.
Takrades your Mensa Saba Road.
Okay.
Nti oba I wo market circle. Oba obehu yen. Na ye no atenase aboa ama watumi agada oniema.
Numbers near say.
Numbers in here 0249.
And that screen is no. At that TV is soon to bet my picket. Was our Obobono ham?
0249
0249
000
000
448
448
0555
0555
55
55
00
00
67
67
0508
0508
111
111
343
343
and 0552
0552
82
82
77
77
87
87. Yes, I know your Express Group.
Yes.
A banner come to one sempa say one more the nurse for two coin, one more the health workers say two common the students say two coin. Express Group one more expert. What I saying to but more things say program Basso Canada program no next month don't person unya Canada no mura when we boost your phone na kwatra Canada. No wako Express Group. Enti minu ya bedo asepa. Na misha pa. Now at this moment of the time, ye na humra ye beto aso Sompa 93.1 full time. Ana wasugu so awutino. Ye best see.
Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Mama Kwababa, Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do not be a year and say, BCC will sing, never will sing her by Amaru, and so Ati, and I say, or sing animal names so far and to my pa. If you will fix one more, and I say, you can't find a permanent one more, and also you see a intimate into you, and no any friend of PFM group, and I say PFM crowd. I feel the sign a cleaning services, the back your profession, the money, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, India, and near my be as she says, a cinnamon, said you Okasa, it's near my pampa, and I the ebo. Gentleman Dental, you get me na be Gentleman Dental Clinic, you will Koforidua, Central Police Station, and Chanwa, and I would do and kind so you will move and atomic down, Domekwa being a runabout on so and I would do Takwa, the pipe one, traffic light na a pipe one, or the OGN bank and with the same premises, and a Kachima so your magazine market acquire so or anase opposite AY Ahmed, and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, total filling station, traffic light na and if G runabout on free total filling station. I have on Simon at the door. The year you free Eda Drada Popem Eda Memeda. With me, Afreya Homano, it was 055 913 9582.
If I shall be a shady old bag, and not to him. What do you see about Queen Wayne and say? Bra, said your time about Mister, it's your Jimmy fearful, and Nadia about the ever so. You do this offering now. Bra, and because I need the time about Mr. Wadancia, Yassina Ebetinka, 87 malaria, what do any time about Mister? I know go, dear, and what I want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mister? Every and your mark or bar waffle food, the one for down for any aquada when you feel do you and some of the time about Mr. Green Bill. Shasa wako hospital and I said loud, I'm what we said, who and GD malaria be answer. I also time me TIME, time about Mister. I feel malaria in the other is Ziva, a woman, even slap. We're going to be at all over the counter medicine sellers and we have our shop to draw name. FDA Aji a judging crotway at all. I was like, I can't have a job to narrow who's a woman said. I'm going to 2 years after that. It's the African Spider-Man. I'm going to fuck it to him when any problem here. Then the new cost for to come when you go ready one beer. African Spider-Man and Baby say what of faith, but preoccupying with African dance, what Baby say what of faith, now secret grano, anything. Imbus herbal mixture and any secrets. Now you turn around the car from and a police me do what dance and say, many namin sunshine, namin so a boosted immune system. I'm a cemetery and between the come I'm going to call it so across the class with Tayale, I'm my lattice latitude in your back. I did never saw her. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you? Move from a cratching. When you Imbus herbal mixture, I will pharmacy and I say herbal shops. I've been for any column if you're doing FDA if you want better future, join the rose. Cause I could be the future. Join the rose. Just be one for the culture. Join the rose. To say you might do for Ghana. Join the rose. The rose. Yamu, Hekoya, with a fascinating Juma, and now at Sigimekua, if I saw you so, ever creating any 80 vets and media. Siana one fastest somewhere, the Lucia, any one pattern more acetinemu, the star 718 star 50 hash, not the Kahu says, yeah, Ghana grows, top day, Ghana grows Jumedi, Mastercard Foundation, Miss Greenwood Roadshow Foundation, Limehouse, Mila Blood for the Debro. Mamisha, time HH about Mr. Binaomi, and your what dropa, and your draw, a yadro say, a manipedian kwamwano enya hwatin, na akwatia yare, and train yare and san wakoto, fire wadro, no abribia. Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono. When no and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso. Akwa wenye mfisia dumi yenu enimbi. Wapin for any oba wama akwani for enso enimbi. Time HH heba Mr. Ubenya bi over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop do
So pedudo to a friend 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH Herbal Mixture. A yedro say FDA adje jadien kratwe atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3-layer toothpaste, Total Care, Herbal, and Lilac. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
What is the Oslo? I feel also any action that I did not go.
Okay, it's counting and magic drinking water and also nebi. Now we know what you say so way and a babuama yema dao. Wow, yema team kanjin and American for the amount. Me so do Japan and when it's so bianum. What I say a standard water a kodi pedjenima a DBS when you pedjenum bian a yifri ho. Ama uni pedjene ntimu timi daho ama wonye den kama what as your bar wonye uso ane canteen and magic drinking water alkaline water no anu no also timi binafe wono nom na obo rich in minerals what as ya dibia ni pedjene here bia no ubenebi ana wo ye bema na wo ko format also timi bonso we 30 minutes and that's 1 hour to the game. When you boy pebble say yes, o come paswa, utimi rura pampalupa kama ni a canteen and magic drinking water. And today you better no far dance it, but no far dance it, but Sompa. Let's all come full super and so Eddie Mame. Open the door to here. Quite our Bremen UG and I say Tafu New Road, Abawa Route, Junction, no, and so open with your chat quite 0241 449191 0241 449191 Yahuma Ubetuma Fair Kanjin and magic drinking water na fe one in perform also etiment in komo na tell us some country say open broadband pa dia me pacho mu existing customers our first Telecel broadband national anytime you renew piano unya 300% bonus. Hey, tell us on one mouse opportunity way. Now what man John what must stay alive and connected with social media. So what I say, the hope data party I may say. I was so to be stay. I want the Telecel first broadband so never be let me call you as with the mount. And now we a new customer. Me patrol 50% bonus. I just say the old person would do data me piano on Sasso able to me aka never be at my call the amount. Empty dial *900# name me so. Na me patro jewo first Telecel broadband no na bibia enkoye enso information say wo de obogram e wo retail outlet bia wo Telecel na wakwakohe na watimi enya wo de kama pa terms and conditions apply. Telecel connecting energies enti omada roba yenko na yenfa efisem no emra Cinco de Mario atase Cinco ho ye bibia boko ye de yamia se pa na to say arrest bia timi akoso arrest akoso atase
yes uma chinipa mienu am in connection with DC last Sunday no e won so atre but o ma invite ko supporters leadership e wo in so atre zen ko be identify send nipa mienu e arrest wo mu no no mu si nipa na oba incident ne pa no esi wotie na chi kakra so omu detain wo mu na oba nipa na no ya oma nipa na oben on say
kotokoni na no oben
absolutely
okay
nti o say nipa na ba obeba police station no
e dey be owo bia onye
betima bo me yetima identify
baby owo bia onye tem si ko ye ko na e body town nu enku ani
the very latest aban but anope me catch us IGP Dr. George Ekufu Dampare ebo modern ekohia yenua Francis ya Frimpon the wife and I need nkomo pie wa sure ne say mekwan bia o betima faso ma o ma o mo di sa adwuma no o betima ma o mo nsa ka na mara no o madi no o betima faso ne mpo o beja police fo ba ko na se mienu o grounds o no marshal to no mo na bibia na tima fa yentie nsema IGP Dr. George Ekufu Dampare editudwa
clinical psychology number and no actually be policing back money and maybe be a fan some police station maybe do one on what PSA to one so I'm to be a police station the police station
wanu ensema IGP Dr. George Ekufu Dampare tutudwa no pede won nsema de mamo na nu achi na de ani eche nsuatre ne nsuatre jase hina wo nsuatre ye fe nana kran asempi o say on behalf of the nsuatre man traditional council no wo mu condemn no ma ekoso awo nsuatre adano kwasi adabra nsuatre man e hosti Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsuatre
sa ade na ekoso no enka yie ibite football no ya de die ni ball no ya ni je enya de eye ntokwatem bisa ntokwa na eti ho no ya njate traditional council ya ni njate manyina ya condemn sa anyambransam na ekoso no na ya pese ya sure ya ma football for ni nyina dia fefo ene o ma mu Ghana nyina tete ekwa bia wo de faso a nipa no ma e de sa na ma no baaye no ye de mo ho abedi no jate traditional council ye de faso
nti weye nsema jase hina of nsuatre odi tudwa de won sama de mam no sa kaze de sa asanteman ene bonoman omuni issue bia problem bia ni wo ajese nya na chekra be 17th century ba bi omuni issue bia yenti nsema nana kran asimpi ekatoa so
asantemale Kotoko ni asembia na ye sure Kotoko management ene asantemale se jote ni asantemale Kotoko ni asembia jote ni asantemale ayonkofa every 17th century opokuare ai bika babeto ye nana amwako mansaha sata amwe twemu akọ buno akoko enti ene de ni asantimi asembia saa ne ni Kotoko ni asembia nipa o ma hwere o ma de mo yakọ
yes we ne nsema nana kran asimpiri tudwa no pe de won nsema de mamo ewo dwumade no so egu so nso atre ne yemfa ntudwa se nana jamfi kumanini wona ye nso atreman supporters chairman yate se omo be press conference anope ya ane ebuzo opani se edienti anon be press conference yenti nsema nana jamfi kumanini edi tudwa
am say yini ya nso atre be 3 days ni Ghana nyina nyinsem am say ese ya amamre ne amane ye ehwe nipa ko a odi oye sa nyamara nsem no ewo nsu atere ewo abosom ewo nsu a ewo akonfo ne ade ewo ha ye genana no nso di te be se nei ukui kuda pa kui ye ya amamre ne amane na ye hye nana no nse so mo wo ho ampa nipa ko a oku ole no ye mara nansa na nne nan ba bi owo bia no nana ndi omode no ba no na chi no ye won semwa ye beka akire bi ase nyina na no so ye wa mamre be ku dwane aya mamre gunse be ye nema bebre se ne ayansa beka nipa no a odi se adwuma no
When in summer, Nana Jamfi Kuanidi to Janopai, you don't some of them, and watching or two as well. Those pictures, any videos are circulating or social media, and also say, when the Kun and I say, we know when him who be in, and was it, I just saw my membrane and sana. Woman, yes, I didn't know Kumbueno. I just say, I you ma pie na chesa sotwe esafato mu no wo mu dia mom yentie na na jamfi kumanini
amna na yentimi hu se nipa so masi ana ye bentene amamre no so yenya ye nko ade ba bia wo bia boso no do so okwa buruchiri ko de ne beba ese yamfa de yamfa taman to so ensiate ni bia soma no no ye hoho so bia soma na se yonko bautin ko kase kan se boron to kwade ye beko na se wo ko park ana se wo gina akiri na wotim de sekane ana bia ko wo bi ne de ene de Ghana mara kwara nkyere sa
Sintiano ayen saman Swatraman supporters chairman Nana Jamfi Kumanidi Tudja anope de on sama de mamo former Gaka chairman Mr. Kujo Fiano no din sempia Tudja no se nyamia no kure ni bona ye no kuroma na adwen pa na o se chese ye nimdi ye bona ye no kuroma no bibia nkoye yentie former Gaka chairman
bona ye bono kura no ye bono kura no ye hu yentie ye bono o bono sponsorship pack basa officiating pasa match a category B match. GFA some was of security committee. Yellow match security committee members you know more. Obitia class is in charge, she is in charge of your friends and security and also about pawns. No the pictures in the young as a security for how many of the league centers have they visited? This match here can't once almost pre-match. It was there match commissioner. Match commissioner himself match in a category B. This should be the number of policemen who should be at the stadium. By the time I ever start the match, and I ever break it, that police for those say, and I was saying the more. I'm a match commissioner and referee match, of course.
When in summer, Mr. Fiano to Jano say, no, you know, be a year pole free monobe, the Jesus Christ of our football na aboa, na woman quay or football, we have to know man, Ghana football. Assign a fan to my prefer.
Yes, sir. Also, poorly, but your father said he will be the Jesus Christ of Ghana football because Jesus Christ came, shed his blood for our salvation. I mean, sure, sir, we will pave the way for us to rebrand and then recondition our football. Because starting league, say Division 1 or you bet you will not qualify this year. It makes us win a relegation, win echo, and you see some personnel be all. Who saw Mukatim be one that who says that team never qualify. Or we are no one see no one move back on other club. You don't have all this in the system. Bianca.
Mr. Kujo Fiano Sa Jebre Casafa Yenya Pola Frewa Frim no Casafa.
For some time now, near Casa Ghana football, a crash you, Biancasa, because on food say beer, ye binum dede no and yes, only now say, what in who castle, San Missicano, and can you say Basayara? But you see a bacca, or no, the cool, now, yeah, you're waiting, a dinner house here. One, Yenya football, the Emra, and it's in a league, you better say, Uber ball home, we are walk away. Football, no, you had two stage beer, San Missicano, she share one. Omom Koshe Stadium, no approval, it must be banned for life from playing football. At the end of share, is it because the owner near Penny or Ghana, and I, yet be panic for reasons that are end to way. Number two, me perceive this as the general secretary of the GFA, where I had the 5 years. How many league centers and what city? Who the situation on the ground? Number three, apart from Achia Kumasi or Wako Busiafia, GFA Penibena Obio. The president in Ghana have vice president in Owen.
On polling and some of the young fan to just and then there's the sports minister or say more the normal be go akwa no to improve security at the various league centers you.
Also a wake up security at Stadia security. We will have to look at review security at Stadia and see to improving security at our Stadia. And also in emergency responses, the ambulance responses. Is it enough that you have a much of that nature to be strategically positioned and so on and so forth? Our emergency response situation in our Stadia, we need to review all this and make sure that we bring it to standard.
Sama sports minister Mr. Kofi Adams to Janopai Yadon Sama Dema Mojumadin Suna Yamfan to just former Ghana International or guest na hemfo on Swakasa Diava their course weekendi Ewon Swatrabram Swatramai and Asante Korokode Bonia Yenu Poli Atwana Nano one said no say just said the course or pitch no so na players exchange blows no or so na ha dwen pa wakasa e dia fa ho yentino.
I don't know there me share video so kakra me share except samehu wo kotoko players omo behavior behavior was here many omo ekasa and as a representative of the players union PFAG I don't think we are happy about what we saw. Both players in 82 or 9 park and so I don't know what will bring about. Men can't say being that, but they should have controlled themselves. I think say any the Kotoko Timbers, Evura Park no more yempes over course a day or no a contributing factor, but they are made they are made as a former footballer. A Kenya Bibia players both teams. A qua or more park in so no, na sure say that in the future no be visa and concourse.
And what you guys young for it to just say some more be saying yeah na just a bed in pass I will bet me sponsorship say or best sponsor Ghana Premier League in Intino.
A company be agreeing say on say or banner on the sponsor league now. I don't think so we want to associate with a league what this character. It is difficult, but I think that a very big area was between a shift from it. I hope it's a government or more any GFA for the beginning town. Normal separate the organization of the local league from the GFA itself proper, because until that will happen, nothing I can say league autonomous.
When in some former Ghana international guest 942 and man of pay, you don't some of them former Kodoko NCC chairman, yes, chairman Kwakwam Ponsa chairman K5 said almost supported the management decisions that almost suspended football activities.
Yes, support Stadia. Yeah, press conference now. You come Obia TSS, Jay Kotoko supporters there. So Kotoko team this one Makwako, Yan Kobe. Yedi a year who a free BBM. Echo Pim said justice beba. Etiano Pesa team now so dias abeto so dia me de nyamiase. Yes supporters near kai. Ye team no so dia badia. Enya sa pepe league ye nya bon. Ye nya bokra league ni nyina base be bokra. Yen san shase foforo. If you said ya konenye
Nsama chairman Kwakwam Ponsare to Jana no chi no say before the game kura no mko share press conference no I had a sense pina to judge as only 2 months and police fu and come back on grano. Obetima bear 120 but or say Obetima can emphatically say police for about normal bay 18 per Yentino.
One team also be my police 120 policemen. Maybe policemen on mobile stadium no me 18 but police force no me 20. Now 20 cra policemen 20. A bet me actually pardon no mobile no. 81 4 to her. Why no so share? Sir, policemen 120 no more kind, or Munina by. Yamas commissioner. FM planning for referee in call for mobile. Also, common social and TFL so problem. 20 say any neighbor, atlas a swap problem no. Ghana football no. Yan fan tunche cry. Yan fan tunche cry. Yan no be antani baby. Kopim Sanchi share papa ebeba.
And what chairman Kwankwa Bonsari to just on the office Sabia. Ye bobo nswatra na se bia kumasi anankra na se a police phone free kromo a na mwakra because se nipa no kwati kromo no di bone ese so free hwanti no ye ntime nche no ye ntime ya no hwe na da no o se no ma e course on tampe e course na je se ano hyepa nswatra ye ntie chairman Kwaku Amponsa
ni no no tin nswatra mai ho no okoye bibi so obi no wi mesi kwasi e be pa wi ense Ghana wi nyina ho ne gu onkoka because okwaka ya po ball na kono o ma attack no ekremu a ote no etike ya ball a o sanka ball a ya ball nsu atre no ye for police for free sunyan e no mo behwe ana ye benya kra better still o sanka di free police for free kumase e no mo behwe because o mo do mo ba o ya hoho ekremu a police for the o mo ehwe ball na o mo behwe a enye ye da me na me ka kire mo.
So when in some chairman Kwaku Amponsa chairman K5 any man pay yade hon sam edema mo ewo dwumadie no so na inswatraman incident update 2 Ghana Football Association amayensa kan anti MC out beto so no obi ahu send update no city yade hon sam edema mo ewo dwumadie so Kumasi Asante Kodoko I confirm the amount say lawyer Safuduku and I be in charge of the communications. Ne bibiano etimako edema the Porcupine Warriors and dear bar and also edema mo ewo jumadi so admission St Andrews SHS and free omusiam fan to just say no ane just SHS obi aja tumo kroma o SHS papa do ba kwa and one St Andrews SHS obi aja o matumi say o ma biye pa ho de utro ya na utwa na bibiano etima fanti say form 1 form 2 and say form 3 kwa ebejo na bibia fine at the amount boarding and hostel facilities or to kwa betima na baby ada adwo ho asua de kama na bibia tima fine at the amount omu asimfo su na yemfandwa asimfo su no omu ewo Rich FM wa yemfantudwa se omu branches ni bia o mankesi medubiase shama dunko no fin sehwia sawenso anafe akra obefre 0244696911 0244696911 ana 0207891004 St Andrews Senior High School. We are always in the lead. Yemfantudwa say betway say the betway of the omadiabano ama chese bet in wide pa na latest say be a bet no ubeti metwa na chese game ne bekwa wie no na be bet no ba ko say na say mienu bi say say ntempa ubeti ma yusika no say be ya bibia beti ma find am
first no bo boys no bo say the bet no slip no tintin
yeah
na obobo
say they are simple
obobo so team back was semi bet was a son mari nyina wo da ba na wie ye wo dey say wo twa bet ni wie na say match ba ku bia da ne nkate bone e ba be say wo bet na and 10 times so wutumi gi free na wa save wo bet no eno no bet we best saver what I say enti wo person twa bet a wo fa ha e fa bonkum fa ni fa Masa wasobe she pass straight betway what I say betway.com.gh now call na fe what chow bet no saipe wutumi free no was save no nya sika gu bottom betway mu heavy
ya na mo mpa juma pa penifo agro entu nya 18 years as agro wontimi endibindi later go be so
menko
na oni abedwa for
okay me da say Cinco de Mario ewie e de amaye Bishop ma wo so wanya brepa keka nyama bom wo Bishop yetio
this cannot be one time ben
Bishop de me nie
say mo 7 na say me chief of staff or office am me hu say sikane ba me hwe me china we not be from na phone cannot be rich because ya to aba foforo ya to aba ya ba say dem say e hwe me dey am
anymore
mensa question na lum kakra so no na bit makata madeja so
asa enim asa u president
na when enim nyansa nim de ewo technology the activities of the console the enim air condition or air console or air computer na enim no amba Sompa na be dai obi enim de obi antimi no
okay
case number 1 look straight into the mic and tell your friend the truth.
Okay.
Safuduku, or your lawyer, or your madam, or share me radio or Wesley girls. Kotokomu current communication is no more analog.
Oh,
of course, Kotokonya analog beam.
So
you can already know so because of every moon can fan sending.
Oh, let's say look.
Safuduku, Asil, Sana, my friend. So let me hear the same thing. Safu, Kotoko communications is not analog anymore. It's moved on from radio and TV dependent.
Okay.
It's now a hybrid multimedia system. Omo digital kakra.
Okay.
Omo radio ni TV kakra. They are doing a lot at the same time.
I was say yes, someone who can
Safu
combine
has to embrace all that he is capable. Yes, sana yete Safuduku dino. Na radio so.
Yeah.
Meboa.
Yeah.
TV so meboa. Wako suku ache brofo wa prempe college aye law na kan ne adwuma bie. He is abreast with modern trends.
Okay.
He must make it count in the club's communication space. Kotoko website. Brofo born in TV mouth because we are English graduate.
Okay.
Kotoko release tower 3 sentences. Kasa tintin bi ani baby ana home.
Okay.
You also be church or brofo be ana home mobo. See, when I give exams to students, the first thing I tell them that express yourself, but be careful how much you write, because the more I kasa no, now I know from
now you mistake.
Me marks no kakaka. market script. I mean, says you my first script way. Little Ken script. Yeah, market over 100. Me start here. I'm at 100. I was script no so when you're 100. Now I started to timidate free per error. Until me read the matter. Now I got tier 300. Me make an error. The until me no. Me market say me mouse 6 7. Now I keep cabo or when you're 82 no. What me start here when you're 100.
And what you people
100. Now I second. You get a point. So, Safo is more than capable. Experience has been here before.
Yeah.
So what you say?
Yeah, under Dr. Kwamichi.
Absolutely. It's neno omeye nenye kama nenye fe. Enkan tintin bia. Na kwabra house for na shall say. Welcome, Lawyer Safo Duku Esquire. 2 titles in there. Welcome. A lawyer Safo Duku Esquire. What I say?
Yeah.
And you'll be a bemana corner Safo Duku the pedigree no. I was true. Until I would want to see him embrace that. Made the Ghana almost started somewhere social media and our digital representation of class. The best I saw in the business. They interlies with Freddie Jan Mante. And then Sadat Larry, no has. Honestly, America, Sadat Larry soon obium. Yeah, but Sadat Larry no ne Jan Mantenos. Yeah, but wafu hano mona kwezina techima omo form be. These were top guys. But in the modern days, Patrick Akoto ne Mediama and the asset piece no. Okay. Mediama social media page. Look, over boss the quality of their graphics and all that. Kotoko were doing so well with David Obin Nyako. And his exit about from Kakraba, they started picking. Just that they are lagging behind Mediama now.
Okay.
Mediama is the ultimate. Mediama then BBN Gold Stars. Maxi. Come on, man.
Yeah, Jade Maxi.
Come on, man. Maxi. Mediama. Gold Stars, Mediama. Oh, Charlie. It is for Emokaba. Case number 2.
Okay.
It won't ask them no. Yeah. You will send me a person questions it be Bisakotoko. But yeah, can say the focus should be on the deceased. Adi ama IGP 22. If in Kamba Kumasi, Ayan Remudie, let's just say Edin, regional commander waha, divisional commander waha, district commander waha. But you see IGP. And you send Ketwake. It is a kudos you say a watershed moment. Now, only say Jesus Christ, I mean, in the arguing. Some of Poli will phone.
Must change his
absolutely nothing could be done there. But you what I say? Your mama said, because you're interested party. Nipa mienu ya chon.
Yeah.
Na video no mumbo mami na mumma audio nimbra. So that I make this submission.
Master, on the second will be man in the hole. Obi the second will be man in the hole.
Pause the video no. Pause the video no. MCR. Okay.
Our inner perimeter no. Now, yes, some video ni be for educational purpose.
Okay.
I'll make a submission out of it.
Master, on the second will be man in the hole. Obi the second will be man in the hole.
Pause the video no.
Gentleman, why this argument?
And also serve as a driver.
Okay.
Also,
Madam, Prime Minister, his bodyguard.
For your police?
Yes, for your police.
Ajuma, you can't depend me and say, you're chairman. You're chairman. And you're chairman.
Or your police?
I was a police officer.
Now, Obi de Akunya Ebeshinitim. Because, Utie Kasanimo say, or the second I will be. Na nipa no can't and you know see there be Obi the second
I will be.
He said 2 things.
Yes.
Wow.
Look, this is for education. Yes, I shall see him. So that
yeah.
Masa, on the second will be man in the hole. Obi the second will be man in the hole. Ambulance.
Perfect. Or the second will be man in the hole. Obi the second I will be a man in the hole. Now, what's here? Nana kotoko ne kotoko fo amini o madi nkomo about kodwa demo baby I war police kind. It wasn't in the inner perimeter.
Outside.
So I studied with him hakakra. Me get police for adwa mom. Ajimawe baby o gina so ko what's the kind? Baby we kwa fans na mo bie gate no. Ama na wura inner perimeter no. It will be difficult. Wa onim sa study mo bia.
Can I help you?
Oh no, you are helping us.
Yes,
you were there so.
The Osha White now that's one. Sisia ono na ye general manager of the club. Enya hana incident ni si kind ya ngo pole wa ha. Ye wo no VIP no ho echi ho. Between the VIP and the baby club
where the cars normally park.
Na the entire on say wait off from aha no off from.
Yeah.
Ye di pole eba aha na ambulance ni si no.
Okay.
Nti ye di ne ba baby ambulance ni wo no. E no no so ba hobi. Ebehwe adekra enipa omode na bo. He was thinking say ebia eye enso atreni ena ebia obi apra no. Nti oba na obehu say e pole no. Ena de otam akonya no. Ono ye kotoko body guys ne ba ko. Ena odi gu we say wa me yakuna wie wa me de sika wo na wie o say bebu sa ye dai. Nti ho no otam akonya na nkode bo nti obo ni blow man it yes. Ena odi akonya no say yes. Yes, and what the Akunyana cause the Akunyana bono.
Thank you, Orlando.
Thank you,
Orlando.
So I tried reaching Ajimando, and yet now Yachano, and I may be denied. He is my friend.
Okay.
Open to me, your madam for us.
So take me for my word. He is somebody who is my friend.
Very nice. He's a very friendly guy.
And then I may be denying the Sama to Nintino. I know your mom in the panel. Sunday, your mom in the Casa, I make our family phone, police for tracker on Benjamin.
Okay.
Ajiman call police station. He got this video. Nti a giant honorable bafo wa ne cheme. Amomko. But through this video, wa catch na busuan for say on fa se kan wo bia. Sure. Nti murder charge aye de be abono no. He will fight it in court.
Wow.
No be signed it.
Amane sign o.
Yeah. Na video no progressing. And our supporters near Ajiman, won't see at home. Any baby, I know, Gina. As I see ya, or any air cosmo. Any team in air could one morning and Anum say, baby, I careless no be
because team in an animal cabo,
be a man near
Mamre,
be a man near Nabe sign. It's the end of a buffalo and a chairman. Ajiman, please take this off. It scares me. In the muscle of yes, okay.
Now
they're more judgment there. Inti through Nipa Nebusian for no more ben. Ajaman somehow catching police for no.
Okay.
Or court on the 17th. Uncle Canasem.
Okay.
Name ya Nipa Mune. El Penquasi. I question again on your coaching. You're more near than I coach the other guy.
Who actually killed Pole?
Now Adongo. Kujwa there, Fuzi becomes so critical to the work of the police. Obi are not closer to action ni biya.
Osi echeno.
No. Osi na kwa police say. Nipa mienu wey. Ye intelligence train say. Na your police have strong intel.
Okay.
On this case.
Okay.
Musumu mo hono. Sa nipa we mu
go identify them.
Now before I be call you ready say the police have done their checks already.
Oh yes.
Omunim
nti kona okọ no na ewom no kwa akoka say ye no kra ka menkutwa tro.
And Bishop Adongo aka emphatically say Adongo na de akonya no on the page akonya no o say nipa no ohuna obehunu waka.
God bless us all.
Me that say Apostle Eba
now before how we help you
can be the way from now.
Okay, maybe say onim papa be friend Sinzo Abe.
Friend say
Japanese Sinzo Abe Japan. On say SMC here na e be catch Hiroshima disaster no far golf. Obo golf you can bo boy here na Nejuma bo no. Where's the FA president? Where's the vice president? I mean, it's shocking. That's not leadership. Baby, this
product a problem.
Product, most important product in the league. Sebi asem kesiye we aba. To show sensitivity, you must stop whatever you are doing. Ghana no sebi. Bibi says here, especially when it will affect whether league no be twice or nine twice so any in some baby. When there are security breaches and a lot of issues at stake. Where is every president? No amount of Black Star player visitation will be necessary and important. Immediately this thing happen. Everything should be seized. That's leadership. So be IGP ban or whatever be you.
Yeah.
So Johnny, you know. So be IGP or my policy, you know. By he has to leave because it's very important. For no agronun tia Emma SC, you know. Answer na police force say your detail properly, your detail properly, and your football. Why not football? It's not an excuse for the president of the FA for not to be available. Sebi or call IGP, he should be with him.
Yeah.
The next available flight we see should be in Ghana Monday. Monday, the FA president should have been in Ghana.
And IGP crowd football in front of Honsano.
A security breach. Yeah, there was security breaches.
Now the president of the Ghana Football Association.
This leadership,
that
is not right. It's not appropriate. Those who advise him should advise him properly. It's not appropriate.
To the point, say,
the Monday, yeah, but I'm saying that his presence would have been important together with the IGP call, Secretary call Sebi, a friend is saying, if he Achimi Amadamfo is an ESCO member, he's not the president of the FA.
Yeah.
Sebi, the IGP are regional commander here, you have divisional commanders here.
Yeah.
The bigger one, regional commander.
Yeah.
He could have instructed regional commander, go and make sure you console the family later. But not to do that. That's what leadership is about. First hand, assembly here, open you so wow. By the way, is every president?
Nowhere to be found.
Okay, let me proceed to my next way. Mr. IGP, me want so because, like I said, about matters of security or Ghana, so me want so. You see this issue about the number of policemen that are supposed to be on detailed. So me can't detail that.
Yeah.
Me can say police for yes be a 40 and yes 40 no he found so be a juma. That's how you detail them.
Yeah.
Or detail you be because makoye proper security zoning. Ama who say Swatre Park no. Omo say be baby or car say or live band. Almost our building just behind that. Adjacent to that more be academy, baby Ancolano, Edani Clubhouse in Yamanina. Rasu we Chihoni baby Boho no. All those places you have security people.
Okay. A big match.
Because there is an entry route, 2 entry routes from those places. Bakuba Park and so back here at the other end. But there were no policemen. Even police for more park and grand also. Let alone that. That's not security detailing.
And Chamake 5K was 18 policemen.
That is not security detailing. Almost say you've detailed them purposely for. But how about the environs? How about for cars? And that is why I'm telling the IGP that he should be very much concerned about detailing of number of personnel at our place.
Apostle Asama okay, Bayara, Unkono, amount for cars or parking behind Babayara, no police, no security.
Because what they do there, they detail them to the pitch, but not the complete police detail for the match. Park no so A1, Sebi washroom, entrance A2.
Stands
where people do things, stands no send police omo any uniform to the stands. It's always the best thing to do. Yes, police force they should be on the pitch and then outside the pitch. But stands in the say police CID 4 and to me say CID in their own chain to go din some fana or foul. What do you say?
Yeah.
Park. So let me concentrate on especially when you were through unapproved routes to the park. And I can say police for war have been minu clubhouse and so they should be there. Because especially when a community on its own. with different routes. So it's not just about the pitch. And wait, this is not the first time we have, but over the years, your league centers, we do this. Security detail porous. The worst one is your cop park. No, police for us who a big life raffle go no team. Who checks those things? They are supposed to be facing. In fact, stadium police. They are so any stewards that much. Except police fund, they should be facing the crowd, not watching the game. Your security in some fempa about your stadia. Because if you are not about your crowd response, me see, we should go back to the venerable Samukujeto commission May 9 about police for regular training on crowd response, crowd control. How many times do every year do we review police for name say detail because of match venues no echo park? How do we review the training methods in how to respond to crowd, how to respond to hooliganism?
Okay,
we don't do that.
Yeah.
Whereby me opa. This ABI used to be watching it will business as usual.
Much ado about nothing.
What will surprise me for the first time is that I will see better, improved, consistent security detailing in it, proper security architecture. For the first time. Says here,
okay.
But we now ambulance and assembly. Let me tell you something. See,
match day.
The ambulance driver, for instance, the ambulance driver, he should have been arrested. Nipa detailing no the mbisa no said nipa man the boss obayano the instruction of the man. You don't park an ambulance at a place where you think na wa drink now why ambulance you do basa be sure boy fan. An ambulance service for your ball. Don't do basa for can be sure ball. You are supposed to make sure you are behind to Kanum.
Apostle Medasi.
At every point, so that when you are called upon, you are moving.
Yeah.
You don't get out of your car as an ambulance driver. Because there can be an emergency.
Yeah. We will be because of attitude.
But I should also be arrested.
Ambulance driver.
Of course, for negligence on duty.
Okay. Medasi. Apostle the Kano, sciatica expert at your 21st clinic. Me patch alcohol. Wa to ase twetwon what ase wusire twetwon koka wo nantini mi pacho betuma wanya stroke what ase wo se wusisi wonama asa umpepoma bi mfa nante because wo to ase twetwon aso sisi wote yaw pa pomode so betuma ko 21st clinic no akwaji wa yaresa omo sciatica expert Africa hadie womo ye number 1 me patro ya debia do club bia no o de ko 21st clinic ye be treat u banya wa yaresa ho beto ye lab and scan services and afi e bad massage and afi machine treatment ni nyina no e ye 21st clinic ko na afi wakwaji wa yaresa kubasia ye wo ehwa overseas junction ye be alpha radio obuase ye wo court junction Accra. Your Domi Market, Sunyane, Nkransa, Techiman, Obo Yechakwai, 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 Yahuma, Obe to my friend 21st Clinic Cafe, Unomo Edin Komo, me patron where your unbeatable price for only 500 Ghana cedis. Me patron 4G MiFi device, a telecell and a diaba, Kono Kojibi, now what GB we are, Yasai amount. 10 gigabyte free data. Just say okono yusu what you say so 4G MiFi device telecell edia bani bia 500 Ghana cedi per a unbeatable price. Kono kojo de uya wasenya 10 gigabyte free data. Now what to be yusu telecell connecting energies. It will run our telecell retail center bia okwa onsa ebeka there now their browser streaming now stay connected on the go na bibia tobacco diamond after years toothbrush no and after years toothpaste as we just so open toothpaste I bet me brush me patch your back and we herbal toothpaste yes and the bar and after yes I another one and here whitening toothpaste ne nyina no ɛbɔ wo se no ban ma wo se no pae fitaa kama yɛwɔ total care ebe take care of your gum and your teeth ɛno yɛ Yas total care toothpaste masa wonya bi na wo yusu a wan kasa wo de adanse no ɛso bɛba Yas nneɛma bia yɛ papa ɛba de brush a wodoɔ men kasa wo yɛ skillful Yas brush no ɛna bɛmu yɛ skillful wo asta wo paste wo se no ebi sɛ bɛbia bɛwura na akɔkɔyi fi na bibia ɛtoma kɔyɛ so diamond toothpaste a ɛyɛ Yas wo pe toothbrush a ɛyɛ Yas toothbrush no ɛboɔ ɛma wo se no ɛtumi nya ahoɔden pɛ fita kama na bibia ɛtoma kɔyɛ diamond enti wo pɛ toothpaste wo pɛ brush a ne nyina no ɛyɛ Yas enti kɔne kɔdwo deɛ na fa adanseɛ no so ɛbra kama paa bepatɔ yɛnkɔ skune so ɛnɛ ɛyɛ amanfo bi birthday what I say birthdays no ba na ɛba wei ɛyɛ Kofi Dalot what I say Kofi Dalot no ɛnɛ ɛyɛ birthday oyɛ footballer oyɛ footballer Kofi Dalot happy birthday to you Nyakopɔn hyira pa na afei deɛ woyɛ bia no ntompɔn kama paa Sompa TV ɛwɔ show happy birthday